doing nothing yet. I don't got nothing. You want to get close? Nah, I don't see it. See? Can't see. I mean, when you first moved. Yeah, I moved. That's why. What's up, YouTube? Let's go ahead and get the gang on here real quick. And we're going to get this thing started, man. Give me 1 second. Get the music going. Ultra Top 5 just dropped. New album is out. Look at this.
Trying to expand, nigga. I made my name a brand.
Okay. Do it. Let's get the gang on here.
Walk with me, hold my hand. Never fold up on my brothers, that's my man, 100 grand. On the beach, feet on the sand, I came from sitting in that jam. Working hard, trying to expand, nigga, I made my name a brand. I done been through hell and back, but here I am, and still I stand. Think I'm going like these other niggas do, boy, I'll be damned. Ain't about bread, the niggas scram. Don't nobody lift a finger, I send money to my fam. You can catch me out the way, I'm MIA up in the yams. Blessed with a golden heart, any nigga around me drowning, I pop out with Noah's Ark. Bitch, I work hard for the seat, and I ain't moving Rosa Parks.
Man, shut the fuck up.
Oh, what the? Oh, is that? Oh, is that? Oh, is that Don? That nigga Don I got on my car. Oh,
yeah, man, what you doing in this motherfucker, man? What you talking about, man?
Oh, shit.
Good with the man.
Yeah, we here smack. We done put the belt on Gold and we put the belt on GJ, nigga.
Know what I'm saying? I'm in both of the goals,
man. You fill my mouth with gold.
Don, you held that gold still?
Not to the bottom of the FBG, but to the top of it.
What, like right here type shit?
Yeah,
good shit. I told you that bitch was going down.
Yeah, I was already knowing. I'm like, bro, this shit was playing for too long, bro. I knew that bitch was trying to come grab that bitch down there. I should have held it though. Like I should have not been a bitch and held it all the way to the bottom of the gap, but
man, shit, nigga, you still secured that money, nigga. Saw that matter.
You feel me? I'm back in buys now, so we ping ponging this bitch now. Oh, I made some money off gold last night. Chill. I closed my
make a gold money.
Yeah, I've been fucking with gold. I've been treading lightly though, cause I'm scared they're gonna take my money. But that shit, I've been doing good though. I ain't had a losing trade yet on this bed.
Yeah, I'm telling you, bro, gold gonna pay, bro. You take that same strategy, gold, bro. You gonna put that belt, bro. It's easy.
Only thing is, bro, that shit you can't let that bitch fluctuate like how you can let GJ fluctuate. That bitch will fluctuate, bitch.
Oh yeah, bro. You
like
take
crazy.
Money like gold. In order for you to be swinging gold and shit like how y'all be holding GJ, bro, you gotta have some balls. You gotta have some capital.
Yeah, like you really gotta have balls to hold the whole gold, nigga.
Yeah.
I'm realizing that you can't really trade it like how you trade GJ. But if you not scalping, but if you pulling your profits out as soon as you hit that, right, you know what I'm saying, 30 pips plus, you hit your little target. If you just pull out, you good.
Good.
As soon as you try swinging that bitch, they're gonna come all the way back down. Oh, man. I'm about to hop out there. I'm about to be myself player. I'll be my player.
What's up, Trey?
Oh. Is that Pop?
Hey, guess who's learning how to trade?
Yeah, it's Pops, baby. I'm here.
Yes, sir. What's good, Pop? Good
Pop, what's going this bitch? What's going on, y'all?
That's the real Esco Boomer right there. You hear me?
The real OG.
Word up. And guess who else here? Duke's behind me as we speak. She just don't want to be on camera, but Duke's in the room too. Everybody trading.
What's up, Duke?
Everybody trade. Say, you hear Pops? She said Duke's a fundamental analysis. She said she do fundamental analysis. I said, well, take my course, combine that with technical, and I'm gonna make you a millionaire.
That's a fact. That's a fact.
Word up. So now y'all see, man, the whole family's here, bro. It's getting to the point where it can't nobody be on the sideline watching no more. Everybody's in this bitch.
It's too many great things going on right now for folks to just be watching. You know what I'm saying? Everybody need a piece of this pie.
That's a fact, bro. That's a fact, bro. Hey, Pops, how much you make on gold?
187. I just do, low.
You made 187.
Mm-hmm.
See, I'm telling y'all, nigga, quit playing.
187,
nigga, on the gold bars, bro. Niggas copy and pasting. I'm getting everybody.
Horse. Yes, rocking horse. Rocking horse.
All right. Word. Good morning. I love the energy. I got Pops on the call, man. It's lit in this motherfucker, man. Word up. Got the Slayers on this bitch. That's what's up, man. That's what's up. I just wanted to come on this bitch real quick to go over these trades, bro. We smacked GJ ass last night, tore their ass up, and I'm still holding GJ too. I think this bitch gonna goddamn. I think this is the lowest we gonna go, nigga. I gave y'all my analysis on Sunday, which I'm gonna go over again. But I'm thinking that we might swing, bro, and like really get the fuck up out of here, bro. I could be wrong, and we'll see about that once we like get to this area I'm about to tell y'all about. But you feel me? This bitch is looking way too good, for me to want to close this buy right now. You dig what I'm saying? Granted, I got y'all in last night. We're floating. Let me see. That's an 88 pip move. We caught 109, and right now we're floating 90 pips. You see what I'm saying? So that was a great move that we was able to catch. I told y'all off the flap on Sunday, the second that new week opening gap got filled. That new week opening gap from last month, this shit took a whole month to get filled. A whole month. You see what I'm saying? But I told y'all how bad I wanted to wait until price got them filled this bitch in. And I hope now that y'all can see why. You see what I'm saying? Like, it was a easy move. That's like a quick 100 pips from that gap getting filled, bro. And we did the whole top down last week. Understanding that, you feel me, last month closed on top of the previous month. So we know that as a result, this month should go bullish. And I told you guys about time and price correlation and how, you feel me, price moves in fractals, which means that the same way that we view time and price to move off of a daily spectrum, off of an hourly spectrum, moves like that on a monthly spectrum as well. You see what I'm saying? So y'all heard me talk a lot about how Mondays and Tuesdays be manipulation days, and then Wednesday and Thursdays are days where prices meant to trend. You see what I'm saying? That same goddamn weight, that same thing holds weight, but on a monthly spectrum as well. When it comes to the first week, you feel what I'm saying, being a manipulation week, the second week starting, they got to distribute, the third week really pushing. You see what I'm saying? So goddamn, the power of three is fractal on all time frames. You see what I'm saying? So the second that we viewed the chart on Sunday and we said, all right, boom, we want to see her fall down in here simply because A, we had a weekly bearish CRT, and B, you feel me, we seen that this month needs to go bullish. Now, if the month is gonna go bullish, then 9 times out of 10, the first week out of that month is gonna be the manipulation. You understand? Which is why we already assumed that this was gonna be the week that price dumped the fuck off. You know what I mean? This is why I told you I was looking for this bitch to sell off, bro. It will only make sense, especially if we're bullish, where first week sells off, second week structure, third week buys. It's time and price correlation 1-on-1. You see what I'm saying? So the sale was on the goddamn money. Granted, I couldn't get y'all in position for that bitch. I wish I could have, but it is what it is. Sale was on the money, dumped all the way down exactly to that key area we told y'all about, 50% of that new week opening gap. I called buys the second we seen that bitch break structure. Also let daily CRT confirm itself. All right. When we seen yesterday's candle, created a low. Today's candle ran the liquidity from that low and then turned the fuck around. So the second I seen price on the 15-minute close on top of model 1, which will be this candlestick right here, I told you guys to buy off the retest of that candlestick. Boom, we put our stop below the low. That's where we at now. And TP 1, 2, 3, and 4 has been smashed, taking this bitch all the way up here to fill in this gap. The last TP is up here inside these gaps. You see what I'm saying? So that was an amazing trade. I had to make sure that everything was on the money, bro. I told y'all, like, I lost a lot of money last month. You feel what I'm saying? And goddamn, first couple of days of the week weren't too nice to me either. You know what I mean? So when it comes to these trades, bro, I really, really, really wanted to make sure that this bitch was on the money, bro. You feel what I'm saying? So I could have called that bitch down here, but I waited to see daily CRT confirm itself. I was watching GJ all night, ever since that bitch got to falling. I was watching her to see how she would react from this FEG. You know what I mean? From that new week opening gap. She reacted exactly how we wanted to react. Got that buy off of Model 1. TP smack, nigga. Perfect. And I'm still holding this bitch too. And I'm still holding this motherfucker. I think that she can really break up. Or bare minimum, bro, come up here and get the rest of these gaps like this. You see what I'm saying? But I think that she can break on top of this motherfucker. We're gonna see about that once we kind of get all the way to these gaps and fill them in. Then we still got a little bit more bullishness on GJ to go to come get at least that 50%. You know what I mean? So we got one more bullish run coming. And if we close on top of this big ass gap I'm sitting here telling y'all about, y'all know what time it is. Wraps. You know what I mean? So that's what I'm looking at when it comes to GJ. That was a great buy. We caught that bitch downhill. Took that motherfucker all the way up there. And I will be holding this motherfucker for the rest of the week. My stop loss is deep in profit. I want to see how far she can go. All right, so I'm going to keep looking for buys for the rest of the week. That was a good midweek reversal, too. You see what I'm saying? Like Wednesday, this bitch sell the fuck off. You know what I mean? To go get that key area, fuck around the buy up for the rest of the week. That's time and price 101. You know what I mean? So everything's looking good. And yeah, I'm holding. Does that make sense as to why I called the GJ buys family? Give me 17s in the chat because it's random numbers today. 17s in the chat, man. That makes sense.
17.
17. Tay, when is you coming back, bro? God damn. I ain't never gonna see you again, nigga.
17, son.
17, Pops. Word. Pop, y'all hear? Hey, this is a real surreal moment. He's talking about some 17, son. This shit hit different.
Hey, I know the fact that you
that
got Pops
shit
on the
hit
call.
different, done. I got my Pops on here
Dukes.
learning from him, man. That's crazy,
That's
bro.
different.
That's crazy, bro.
It's fire
That's crazy,
for real.
man. Word up.
Talking about this moment.
I can get you on your laptop. Go grab it or something. I got it. We'll talk on. All right, that shit hit different. All right, so good trade on that right there. Good trade.
Hey, boy, Tracy, boy, you damn near manifest that shit, boy, because you been talking about having your pops and moms treated for a long ass time, boy. I ain't gonna lie.
For real.
Told y'all, Pops. Y'all need to think y'all hearing Pops? I've been talking about getting y'all on this trade and shit before all my other students got rich. Y'all was supposed to be the first ones to get rich.
I hear you.
Yeah. Mama said it's time to be a fulfillionaire.
No doubt.
Yes, sir.
I've been telling them about y'all. I've been telling my students about y'all, man. Y'all the first people that are supposed to be behind me.
Billion dollars.
Billion fulfillion dollars. Word. Word. All right, gold. All right, gold. Ooh, that bitch pulling back too, but I'm already out of there. I ain't gonna lie to my money. And I might pop her ass again right here, but I gotta see something. All right. But gold, this was a quick little buy in and out, nothing too crazy. Gold kind of rubbed me. I ain't gonna lie, like gold pissed me the fuck off. Cause I don't like how she got down, like stop short of these lows and shit. Like, I was really trying to get in position for a buy last, like a couple days ago, and I kept getting fucked over. Like, this is me being honest with y'all. You see what I'm saying? This is me being honest with y'all. All right. This is me being completely honest with y'all, bro. I was trying to goddamn. I didn't call no trades for it, obviously, because they won't picture perfect A+ for me to get y'all in position. But I definitely put myself in position to get fucked over by trying to catch these motherfucking gold bars. You see what I'm saying? And the last place that I thought she was gonna fall down to and reverse from is where she reversed from. Like, nigga, why would you stop here and leave all these equal ass lows with these lows and then start breaking structure and shit? That shit had threw me off. You see what I'm saying? But it is what it is. I ain't called them trades for you guys. I called the right trade for you guys, the A+ motherfucker, which is off of me seeing price take out this low. Boom. Break structure bullish. FB Jizzle field. Cobalt.
Yeah, cobalt lithium.
Cobalt lithium?
Yeah. We
can look at it. I don't trade cobalt and lithium, but we can look at it.
I will.
You will?
I just want to know what it's looking like.
All right, give me a second. I'll look at it. So yeah, this is where my trade setup came from. Run on stops here, taking out this low, breaking structure bullish right here, and then it came back into this version. So I called the buy for you guys right here. TP1 and TP2 was these highs, and then some highs to the left. It was this fair value gap right here. You see what I'm saying? It was a little fair value gap right here. So we bought that bitch here, in and out the market. TP1 smash, TP2 smash, and it's reversing back down as we speak. As far as what I think she can do now, she still never came down to get this gap. So I think that this right here is probably next for where Price wants to go. Come down here and grab this real quick. And I'll base my analysis from there on what she does from here. Because if she respects this, we can catch another buy and goddamn take her ass up to these highs. But if she breaks below it, then you know what I mean, we're gonna see a little bit of a dump off. Considering the fact that we're in a higher time frame fair value gap right now. Y'all see this 2 hour? All right, so we're in this big ass 2 hour FVG right here, and it's looking like a little bearish 2 hour CRT. So we're gonna stay away as of right now. We're gonna let this bitch fall. We also got Trump talking in about 30 minutes. He's talking at 1 o'clock, don't he? Don't Trump talk at 1? Yeah, he talk at 1. Let me see. Yeah, I think act like y'all can't hear me in this bitch. Hold on. Hey. Stupid.
Yeah, someone's gonna be scared.
He on that one.
He on that 1. Yeah. It's an orange red folder though. Yeah, it may or may not hold weight. We definitely gonna see, but we definitely are also gonna stay safe until that motherfucker comes out. Because all we know, he can come out and say that he finna fucking nuke China. You know what I mean? Like, you know what I'm saying? Right, tomorrow. Right. Right. Yeah, I mean, so we gotta stay safe from him. Yeah, I mean, so I'm probably chill on go and got in and out, take that money, and we're gonna see what she looks like after Trump speaks, and we'll go from there. Y'all understand why I call it the gold bars? Easy enough. 22.
Easy peasy.
Easy peasy. Lemon squeezy. He talking about some easy damn peasy. All right. Guy,
Gold ain't nothing to play around with.
if I don't call no trades for the rest of the week, Pops, you better still make $1,000. It's 450. 3. Oh my God. Girls, let's go. That's GJ. All right. That's really what I wanted to get on here for. I'm gonna go through a couple more charts, see what's going on. Trump talks in 30 minutes, so ain't no reason to goddamn, you feel me? We can, if anything, hop back on this bitch. But let me go through these charts real quick and see what we can be in position for. And by all means, if y'all got any questions, comments, concerns on anything, now would be our time to ask. If y'all want me to look at any charts, anything like that. As a matter of fact, Mama said she want me to look at lithium.
I want you to look at lithium, copper.
Lithium and copper. I don't even know.
We already got gold. So lithium, copper, steel, and oil.
We trade oil.
Okay.
We trade oil. Lithium. Lithium is not a crypto. No, lithium is a. No, we do all of them. Just trying to figure out what lithium's
It's a commodity, I think.
Yeah, I know, but what's the symbol? I'm gonna figure it out. In the meantime, what's copper? We got copper too. Here go copper. Let's look at copper for my mama, man. See what's going on. There's too many gaps, though. I don't like that. Okay. Let's find another one. Mama says she want to look at copper.
Let Charlie look at copper. What's up, Charlie? Can she hear me?
Yeah, she hears. She in here singing the hell out of that song. She in.
What's good, Trey?
That's good.
All right. Here goes copper right here. Copper. I bet. Here go mama. All right, here you go, mama. And you may, because it's your first time really, you know what I mean, paying attention to me and the way I trade. So you may or may not understand my terminology as of right now. But it's what the course is for, and it's what I'm for. I want you to watch my course while you with me, and I'm gonna teach you everything. All right. But what does copper look like? Okay, so we're gonna start at a monthly perspective. Copper has been pretty bullish since 2020. We just created a new all-time high back in July. The shit is only what's this, $5.90? $5.94? Cheap? Or am I looking at let me take that back now. The price of it got to be different because one of these is futures. This may be the real price. But we'll worry about the price later. As far as goddamn the chart goes. Okay. See the weekly. All right, so we had just created a new all-time high here. All right, back in June. From that new all-time high, price dumped off something nasty. So it's kind of like a sign of bearishness. Okay. And the fact that she sold off so nasty and created this big old gap. This is what me and my team trade off of. We look at these gaps inside of price action and we use them to determine where price is gonna go. So this is what's called. This was literally my whole team strategy for making money. Like we see this high right here, price liquidated it, and then from there turned around and broke structure and left a gap. You know what I mean? So that's like cause and effect. From there, I can expect a price to hit this gap and then probably come down and get some of these lows right here, which means short-term bearishness. All right, which means that we can fall down. It can lose value just a little bit in order to come and liquidate these lows right here, knock out the early buyers on copper, and then from there, turn back around and go back to new all-time highs. I think copper just needs a quick flash down to come and liquidate early buyers, and then from there it'll turn back around and go up. You know what I mean? So that's what we're looking at. So if you were looking to buy copper or like invest, now wouldn't be wait until the next drop off. Yeah, and then we'll buy it down here and we'll be able to get some instant profits off of that.
Okay.
So that's copper. And everybody, y'all understand that analysis with copper too? You know what I mean? All different commodities, same ballpark, nigga. Ones in chat. Same strategy. Y'all know the routine. Ones.
One.
For sure. Bet. Oil. Now oil's been acting. We've been trying to trade oil. We tried to trade oil like a couple weeks ago and it's back stupid.
One.
Oil back stupid. But oil. Okay, so go back to the monthly. Let my little blow up.
Said that Trader Talk 5 nice too, big dog.
Y'all fucking with Trader Talk 5. We gonna bump that before we get up off here now.
Yes, sir.
What? I've been bumping that hoe all morning.
Corporate thugging.
55, man. That's all right, bro. That's all right. I'm mad it was only 6 songs, but I promise y'all I got something for that. I promise y'all them songs are gonna drop eventually. You know what I mean? But I'm glad y'all.
Yeah, get the bag right there. Off the wake up.
Yeah, that's the one. Oh, I'm sorry. Y'all give me 1 second to set my laptop up real quick. I forgot I got to do this. I need you to make an account on this website right here. It's called TradingView. This is where we look at all the stocks and the charts and things like that. So create an account on here. We're gonna get you a new laptop too. This slow. You need. It's slow. It's like a middle.
Had it for the past 5 years.
This is like a middle school laptop they give you. It's like one of them. I don't think it's gonna hold enough weight.
Okay.
I think it's gonna be. I can already see it's gonna be slow when you're trying to pop trades and stuff. No, that's long. I couldn't find the cord for it. There you go. I don't know where it's at. I can just buy you another computer. There's nothing. You're gonna need something faster than this though.
Okay.
But definitely. So I'll get you another laptop here soon. But in the meantime, between time, hit that tab right there and create a profile on TradingView. This is a create an account. It's free.
Your mom gonna catch on quick. You know how smart she is.
I get my wisdom from her.
Yeah, she gonna catch on real quick. She gonna make money. She gonna make a lot of money.
I appreciate the patience, y'all. I appreciate the patience, man. Y'all look, we're gonna look back 6 months from this call right now. We all done found this is the first call in CS history. In CS history, nigga, since fucking 2020. When I had my mama and my dad on the same goddamn call. You know what I mean? Y'all gonna look back in 6 months from this call right here. Y'all gonna be like, damn, that nigga Tracy the GOAT, boy. That's how the fuck he turned his parents' life up too, boy. Yeah, I know. All right.
My man, $100 grand.
And $100 grand, word.
And mama fulfill you, nigga.
And mama fulfill you now, word. All right, so oil, real quick, oil. All right, so boom, this motherfucker, like I say, it's been playing games. I ain't been fucking with the way it's been moving. However, let's break this bitch down. See, I remember a couple weeks ago when I was trying to get y'all in position for oil, and we lost one trade, and I got y'all back in position. We was able to catch this little move right here. We wanted to go way higher, and it still dumped off. Like that's what type time oil was on. You see what I'm saying? Now where she's looking at, she looks as if she wants to come and liquidate lows, bro. She done created equal lows, and these look like these are new my apologies. I was about to say new all-time lows, but that's definitely bullshit. regardless, it looks like she wants to keep falling now. Do y'all see all this liquidity that she is leaving on the table, bro? Like, this is absolutely insane. You see what I'm saying? All this trend line, all these clean ass highs up here. She's going to turn back around to get that. I just think that she wants to fall down to come get one of these like lower gaps first. You see what I'm saying? And then from there, that reversal comes. Now, obviously, we're still in the monthly time frame, which means this move that I'm sitting here talking about ain't gonna happen tomorrow. You do what I'm saying? When I'm looking at oil, I'm looking at this bitch from a higher time frame, always monthly, weekly perspective, because the lower time frame on oil is disgusting. It's absolutely disgusting. You know what I'm saying? We do not trade. We is not in this bitch scalping oil. Don't God, we not. You dig what I'm saying? So everything I do when it comes to oil is from a weekly, monthly perspective, nigga, not even a daily. I'm talking about weekly and monthly. You know what I'm saying? Higher time frame, big plays, nigga. The spread is too goddamn big on oil anyway to be trying to scalp it. You ain't gonna make no motherfucking money. The only way I'm entering oil is if I'm trying to swing this bitch. You see what I'm saying? So that's why I'm telling y'all, like, this move that I'm sitting here talking about may not happen instantly, but when it does happen, I'm looking for that bitch to pop off.
Ain't no internet on it. Oh damn, your hotspot on it?
Goddamn, hold on.
But it's gonna cut off. My phone right here.
Hold on, hold on. I gotta mute y'all selves. All right. So goddamn bone. This is what I'm looking at. I want to see her fall down just a little bit more. You listen to me, mama? I got you. I got you. Right. For oil, I want to see this bitch fall down just a little bit more. See how we're in this first fair value gap right here on oil, but yet she used that. Like, you see how she hit that bitch and she bounced up, but she just went to go respect that trend line and then she sold off again, bro. So that's letting us know that this area right here may not be the key area that she wants to really fly from and break structure from. So next best thing down here. You see what I'm saying? Look for that bitch that got them come down here, run this bitch real quick, and then from there, swerve all the way back up. So this is more, once again, long-term play. I don't want to sell it neither. You see what I'm saying? Why do I don't want to sell it? Because everybody else is in sales. You know what I'm saying? You see this trend line, you know how many, imagine how many people was in sales. If I can see this shit right now, and imagine how many retail traders can see it if I can see it. Not only that, this is a weekly trend line, which means this trend line has been holding this weight since September of 2020, goddamn 3. You see what I'm saying? So it's like, yeah, this ain't nothing to play with. This is a lot of retail money that's up here. I don't want to touch that. So oil, once again, is only long-term plays, and my long-term play is, I don't care how long it take, let that bitch sell down here, and I'm going to buy it down there and take it up. Oh, shit. Hold up. This is not the chart to be trying to scalp, get in and out on, nigga. Once again, the spread is too damn big, and this bitch moves too wacky, too slow on a lower time frame. Bitch, and it's ugly as hell. You don't want no ugly. You don't want no lower time frame money on oil. I don't give a fuck how much. I don't give a fuck how good of a thing you trader is. Nah, this ain't it. You know what I'm saying? Only long-term plays. So be patient. This shit may not happen till next year for all I care. And I promise you, I won't touch this bitch until it happens neither. Facts. There's too much money that I can be paying attention to that's going to print money fast, like gold, GJ, all that good shit, for me to be worried about missing oil. Fuck oil. But, you know what I'm saying? If we were to catch oil, right. But if we were to catch oil, that's what we got to wait for, in my opinion. You see what I'm saying? So that's my analysis. I don't want to touch this bitch until she sells off one more time. All right. Does that make sense as to why I want to be patient on this bitch? Give me goddamn 26. Give me 26. Because we approaching 2026, ain't we? Damn, it's 2 months left.
26.
26. I like they said it all proper. 26. Word. Y'all, word on gang is literally. Yep, they're gonna be teaching as well. Watch Your Family Corporation. Y'all want to know why I'm good on Zoom? That lady right there. I used to watch her teach goddamn Zoom call. What you used to teach?
Everything.
Every goddamn thing. I'm talking about fucking spiritual debates, anything you can goddamn name. I used to watch her run the masses on Zoom, nigga. On so it's just hereditary. You know, gang, it's literally hereditary. But the wisdom comes from her, the hustle comes from Pops. Together,
That's
nigga.
before COVID or after COVID?
Way before COVID. Way before COVID. You see what I'm saying? This was as I was a goddamn kid, still in middle school, high school. She been doing this shit. She been teaching. You see what I'm saying? I just had to find my own thing to teach. But that's why I'm so goddamn good on Zoom. That's why I'm such a good teacher. It comes from her. You know,
Yep.
So, yep. Word. All right. Somebody said Nas 100. Let's talk about it. Nas, I'm big bullish on this bitch. Big bullish. As a matter of fact, I was in US 30 buys yesterday. You see what I'm saying? I smacked that bitch too. Word on gang. I ain't gonna lie. I was in 30 buys. from right down here where that bitch had fell here. I took, damn, that bitch still flying too. Damn, that bitch gone. I should have held that bitch. But either way it go, I think that the indices are good to go ahead and get back up to new all-time highs. It had to come down here and fill in these motherfucking gaps and shit. Bro, price that came down here and filled in these fair value gaps perfectly. Daily FVG filled, daily CRT from that motherfucker. So if anything, we're gonna try to get us some buys in tomorrow. She has to pull back. Like, there's no questions asked. If you're not in down here, there's literally nothing to talk about until this bitch pull back. You understand? So she has to give us. I asked him got low. She has to give us. Let me see. I'll probably say like this fair value gap right here. Like, that bitch got to pull back. They got to. We're too far up. You know what I mean? But daily CRT is confirmed. Everything's confirmed. She's not going to buy up too crazy. Right? She's going to stop short a little bit today. Like, this probably, I ain't going to say this all the bullish momentum we're going to get, but she's not going to get all the way up here today. How do I know that? What? Pop quiz. Let's see who got the smart money that Esco got. Why would I sit here and tell you guys that this daily candle ain't gonna buy up too goddamn crazy? Like, it done bought up something crazy already. Don't get fucked up. But why would I sit here and say this bitch ain't gonna get like all the way up here today? Why would I say that? What would make you assume that? What would make me assume that that shouldn't happen?
The inverse gap.
Huh?
The inverse gap.
Fair value gap.
Right. Yeah. All right. That is one answer, and y'all are on the right page. Now, what I'm looking for a more specific answer. But I'm not gonna take nothing away from that.
50%.
What did nigga just say? What was the first answer?
I said a break of structure back to the upside.
We're gonna need to see something before we know that's a fact.
Sweep. You need to see your sweep below.
It ain't enough candles.
Ain't enough not necessarily. But y'all are on the same. Y'all are on the right page now. I just need y'all to goddamn get there. Get there. All right.
No raid, no trade.
Huh?
No raid, no trade.
Briscoe?
No raid, no trade.
No raid, no trade, right? That is facts. At the same time, our raid has already happened on yesterday's low. That's a raid. That's what set it up. So it's not the answer I'm looking for. Look at this daily. And I'm gonna give y'all 30 more seconds to figure this out.
I thought it was.
It just
Tell
hit
me
50.
why I don't want price to get all the way up here today.
You don't want it to get up there today.
30 seconds. It's okay if we don't know too. That's why we here.
I don't know the answer, maybe.
We gonna know after you tell us.
The only thing I could think of is, like you said, you see the sweep, it broke already, then you will wait for imbalance to create, to play back into.
I see y'all in the chat. I see
a CRT that already happened.
I see y'all in the chat. Let me answer this.
The inducement?
The inducement, yeah. The reason why I do not want price, and somebody answered in the chat correctly, that's why I just good shit. The reason why I don't want price to get here is because if price gets up here, then we won't have a daily fair value gap right here. Y'all kept telling me inversion. Yes, that is the right page. Y'all on the right page. But think about it. Fair value gap is a 3-candle sequence, right? This candlestick needs to close today and stop short of that low so that we can have a daily fair value gap right the fuck here. Do y'all see what I'm trying to tell y'all?
Yeah, I get you. Makes sense.
All right. So today's candlestick needs to close so that this fair value gap can be confirmed. If price ends up buying all the way up to that first candle's low, ain't gonna be no gap. We stop short, we got a gap, and then we can use this gap right here to help us out with our analysis. For example, once we got them create the gap, price gets to 50% of that bitch, which we know that tomorrow's gonna buy up. Why? Daily CRT, right? So we don't want price to come up here. You know what I'm saying? So let that bitch stop short a little bit, create a daily fair value gap so that tomorrow we have an easy target on the way back up, right? And then if price closes on top of it, that just helps us even more because now we have an area to know what the breaker structure is based off of. You get what I'm saying? So we create this daily fair value gap right here, and then we see this bitch and we're like, all right, bet. If we respect, we go down. If we break, we go. You know what I mean? This gives us another layer of our analysis to help us out on. You know what I mean? So we want this daily fair value gap to present itself so that A, we can have some targets to take it up to when we buy it again. And B, we can use this FVG to help us out with our analysis on should this bitch go back up to new all-time highs. We close on top of this gap, that bitch new all-time highs. Nothing to talk about. You see what I'm saying? Does that make sense as to why I want to see that FVG be created? Give me ones in the chat.
It's not even an inverse yet.
I mean, it is an inverse. Or no, as a matter of fact, no, you're 100% right because price didn't even close below the shit. You're 100% right. So it's not even an inverse gap because price didn't even close below it. For all we know, price is still respecting that shit. Wicks do the damage, body sell the story. Ones in the chat if this makes sense. 56 people on here. That's a lesson that y'all need to understand. Y'all better let me know what's up. Word. For sure. All right. That's the play with Nas, man. This bitch is overly bullish. You shouldn't touch it until she pulls back. We should get a pullback tomorrow. You see what I'm saying? Considering the fact that once again the daily CRT has been confirmed. So the third candle, which is tomorrow's candle on the daily, should give us a pullback. That pullback should come right the fuck here. We can get real specific with it as a matter of fact and find see if we can find my own one. That we can where this pullback should come to. And if it lines up anywhere with that gap, then I'm clapping our ass. Model one is here. We already done retested that bitch too. But she should come back. I think I'm gonna buy that bitch in this MVG right here. And then put my stop below like this low right here. And take that bitch up to that gap if we can pull back within a decent amount of time. All right. I also want her to goddamn stop short of this and then pull back. So I'm gonna set an alert right here. I will give y'all a buy limit, but that's a little bit too much risk for Nas. I don't like that. I want the risk to be a little bit smaller for you guys. So I'm gonna set an alert right here. And y'all know what's up. She pulled back, belt. I see everything I need to see. Belt the ass. All right. Can I ask a question? If that gap remains there, then wouldn't it turn into a BPR? Then that's confluence for sales. What gap?
They probably talking about that gap that you were saying. You wanted to stop right before and create some more stuff so to jump back up.
Didn't I just say that price ain't closed below this? So it's not. This is still a bullish gap. This is still bullish. Now, goddamn, we talking about goddamn if price creates this right here for bearishness, you got to remember what the trend is. You understand? This bitch is overly bullish. You dig what I'm saying? So yes, this will be okay. If price creates this FVG, this will be a BPR for sales. But what has price been doing? This bitch been buying and selling. Get with the trend. This pullback right here should send this bitch on top of that. I'm not saying that price is going to buy right through this bitch. I'm saying we can hit this bitch and then got them pull back a little bit. You know what I'm saying? Which is why I gave y'all that damn analysis. You know what I'm saying? Because we want this bitch to pull back so we can have a reason to take it uphill. But goddamn, you feel me? Whole point being is that we can have we can predict that since this bitch is overly bullish, since every single time this bitch pulls back, it leads to a new all-time high run every single time. It leads to price buying the fuck up. Look at what happens every single time price leaves some type of bearish structure. Price says fuck all that and buys right on top of it. Why would I not think that's going to happen here?
Yeah, gotta go back and tap and come back up.
Exactly. So although that could be a bearish area, nigga, remember we're bullish, nigga. So I'm not selling nothing on us. You see what I'm saying? I'm expecting price to go here, back up to here, boom, boom.
I've been waiting for Nas to come back down, bro.
It's gonna come back down. It should come back down tomorrow. I mean, and once again, I'm not saying that she's gonna buy right through this bitch. She can hit this bitch and then give some type of sell off. Like that's 100% valid. What I'm saying is the sell off shouldn't hold no weight, no crazy weight. This if it comes here and hits this gap, this little BPR, that bitch should hit this bitch. Probably use that bitch to go get some little lower time frame liquidity real quick, run some little bitch ass lows in the 15, 30 minutes, some shit like that, and then boom, right back up.
Yeah.
Boom, gone. New all-time highs. Now, I'll confirm this bias once we close on top of this. As of right now, I know for 100% fact, we should get a pullback, and then we should be able to take this bitch up to this gap. Bear the fuck minimum. We'll worry about what she does from there once we get to this gap. Once she reacts from it, then we'll know how to truly play it. But, you know what I mean? I'm definitely expecting price to break on top of this bitch. We just got to you know what I mean? Let price confirm it. But do y'all understand do y'all understand her question? Do y'all understand my answer to that?
Yeah, for sure.
Once the chat, everybody. That was a good question.
Thank you.
Now, for a counter, now if you close under that bullish fair value gap, then would you consider it bearish just technically, or it still would be a bullish range even though you close below?
I would still consider the bullish range, but I know that we'll get, if we don't respect this bitch, if we don't break on top of this and we respect this gap close anywhere inside of it, then we will see a lower time frame pullback.
Okay.
So from there, like, this is why I break down price action piece by piece. You know what I'm saying? So, like, for example, like, see how this bitch is buying. Say we get up to this high and goddamn hit that bitch, and then like we still close inside of here, whatever the case may be. We start seeing reversal. That's when I'll start to come to the lower time frame and I'll break down price action to know what I need to see in order for price to break structure. So like, if this right here is my area, well, I want to see what price does from here. You know what I mean? If she closes in, she doesn't close on top. She ends up respecting the gap. First thing I do is look below price. What's bullish? Bullish FVG. Bet. This is what's going to determine to me if we break structure from there. You see what I'm saying? This was going to let me know if we got them really go bearish. So price hits this shit and then sells all the way down to the point where she can break below an area of bullishness, which is also a balanced price range. All right. So she can sell right through that. That's letting me know that the only reason why we bought up was to run liquidity, get the gap. Now we should sell. You see what I'm saying? But it's all based on what price does once she gets there. So I'm not going to sit here and say for 100% fact that if we respect this gap, we're going to like dump off bearishness. As a matter of fact, I'm not even expecting that. I'm thinking that price hits this and then just does
retrace a little bit and go back up. Yeah.
Exactly. You know what I mean? But if I'm wrong on that, that'll be shown based off of these gaps. You dig what I'm saying? Where she hits this bitch and then goddamn like sells right through this motherfucker. Sells right through all this shit. I bet we're going to see some bearishness. You know what I mean? Then we can take it down to this gap, whatever the case may be. Breaks below that, just gone. You use these goddamn FVGs as like stairs for price, bro. This is what it lets you know where she's going to go. The targets are buy side liquidity and sell side liquidity. What lets you know where she's going to go there is the gaps. Stay on top of the gaps. We're going for buys. If you break below the gaps, we're going for sales. That's how you play it.
Makes sense. Yes, sir. One.
Good shit.
Hey, I got a question, bro.
What's up?
So shit, if it was to go up and you know for sure it's gonna drop back down, would you get into sales?
No.
Bet.
Always wait for the market game.
Wait for the market to do what it's gonna do.
Yeah.
If I know that this bitch is bullish, I don't want no sales, bro. The reason why I don't sell in a bullish market or vice versa is because nigga, you don't know when price is gonna pull back. Right?
Exactly. Your ass looking for that little intraday motherfucker and your ass getting stuck in that bitch.
It's hard to predict when you're gonna get an intraday pullback, bro. It's hard. It's easy to predict when you're gonna get like the expansion. Like for example, I know that when she pulls out these gaps, we should get that continuation. You see what I'm saying? What's hard to predict is when she's gonna pull back to get the gaps, nigga. For all we know, she can goddamn hit this
Keep
bitch.
going.
You feel me? Like she can hit you with some dumb shit like this because she's bullish, and then she do some shit like this, you're gonna be mad. Like she hit this motherfucker, boom, and then give you a little baby ass sell. Now you're like, oh shit, you lit, and then blast off, and then come back. You're gonna be mad as hell.
Yeah, just stay with the grain.
Stay with the grain. You dig what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So I don't care how long it takes. This bitch can blast all the way the fuck up here for like her. You feel what I'm saying? I'm not gonna touch that bitch until she pull back. This bitch can goddamn give me the best goddamn sell signal in the world from right here. I'm not gonna touch it until I get that.
They're gonna jump back.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
I've been waiting, bro. She just been buying up, bro. I'm like, dang.
Word on game. Like there's
I ain't gonna lie, I caught them buys, bro.
Them buys was that, bro. Them buys was that. Like I said, I got the US 30 buys. You see what I'm
Oh
saying?
God, I caught them buys.
Always looking for buys on this bitch. Even then, like I know a couple people that was able to catch sales from up here, and I'm sitting here like, how the fuck did you do that? Because like you know how hard it is to predict the sell in a new all-time high market.
That's some gambling shit.
It's damn near impossible.
Yes,
You know what I'm
straight
saying?
up.
Like,
I was
so how
not
the
doing
fuck,
that.
nigga, unless you just got them gambled that bitch, nigga, you said fuck it, nigga, 50-50 chance. How the fuck you predicting the goddamn sell from up here? You can't.
Real shit.
Yeah, you're rolling the dice on that motherfucker.
On game, you rolling the dice. So
Especially on Nas.
that every single time this bitch sells off, it just turns to a new crazy bullish run. Then why don't I just be patient and wait for the next sell off? You understand?
Yeah.
Patience pays. So this is why I'm telling y'all, like, it get like, and by all means, like, if you want to sell it from up here, but go crazy. You're not getting the ESCO stamp on that though. I'm not going.
You rolling that dice.
Oh, so you roll the dice, bro. Trading against the trend, bro. I think that daily pullback right here was all the fuck we needed, bro. She pulled back to a goddamn mean key area, respect to both of these gaps and daily CIT, nigga. Shit, that bitch looking good to go right back up, bro. Gang, you know what I'm saying? But everything will be confirmed once we break on top of this bitch right up. You know, so just don't touch her until she gives us confirmations. You know what I mean? Don't touch her. I have to jump. All right, right. There was a 15-minute breaker up there. Yeah, it's a lot of money up here. It's a lot of money on top of price. You know what I'm saying? So it's a lot of money below price too. The pullback is what's gonna let us know everything, bro. And I'm looking to buy that bitch right up. I'm put my stop below that low. I'm trying to take it up there. And it's NFP week too. Friday gonna be a bloodbath, bitch. This bitch can be at new all-time highs by Friday while y'all playing.
God.
So we're gonna see what's up with her, but be patient. It's either A, this bitch breaks structure, and then we start looking, and then we start paying attention to our buys, or B, she stops short of our key area, she creates our gap, then she pulls back. We'll start looking for our buys. So take our ass right back up to the gap. Remember, we want this daily to kind of stay where she's at type shit. We don't want her to go too far up higher so that we can create this fair value gap right here. Once the daily candlestick closes, this daily fair value gap is created. Next pullback, easy target to take it to 50%.
Yeah.
Understood?
Yeah.
Last time for two. Give me twos in the chat for Nas.
Two.
Last time. Twos.
Two of them.
Two times.
Finesse 2 times. Look at that.
Word. Finesse. 2 on. Regular.
What I'm
Hey,
doing
you seen them
also,
blunts he be smoking, cuz?
Yeah, be
Y'all
smoking.
be seeing
Them
them blunts?
fingers.
Them ain't fingers no more, nigga. Those is twigs.
Hey, y'all
Oh,
boys,
you got
what
the
I'm doing
twig?
also,
Them niggas
I'm
got
buying
branches in
NAS
that
and I'm
bitch.
holding it because it showed over a 5-year period that it's steadily going up even after them dips. Them dips is just, you feel me, a pullback.
What you talking about?
I just said.
NAS, I'm buying and I'm holding it. Also, other
Oh, you
than
trying to
trading
position
it on
trade that bitch?
currency, yeah, not on the like MT5, like on Charles Schwab.
Oh no, Charles Schwab fire as hell. I options trade on that bitch.
Yeah, I'm doing the
Nigga, I caught.
Vanguard Index
I think I caught like
500.
400% this morning on fucking SPY.
What I'm saying is though, I'm also trading it, you feel me, live on MT4, but also I'm holding it for years type shit because it
Yeah,
showed
that's how you
over a
supposed to do
steady
that shit,
time. That shit is making you rich, bro. It's doubling your money. Like
bro. It's the
it's gonna
stock
pull back,
exchange, bro.
but if you catch the pullback, you already rich, bro.
Oh
Hold that bitch
God.
for I'm putting 2 bands in that bitch and I'm buying it and I'm just finna hold it.
One of the things I was waiting for was some tariffs and the market to crash so I could buy everything all over
Shit,
again.
that dip was all I
Y'all see
needed.
where
I already bought it
Bitcoin
from
at?
that dip.
Y'all see where Bitcoin at?
Hell yeah, nigga.
That bitch that dropped below 100, nigga. Hey, hold on. We gotta look at Bitcoin. I'm glad I thought about that. Hold on. We gotta look at Bitcoin.
We do gotta look at this bitch.
We about to get invested in that. Hold on, Fred. You know what I'm on, Fred. Hold on, Fred. No, my bad, Fred. I just
That
see you send
bitch
a video
tapped
on my bad, Fred.
99,000 twice.
Hold on, Fred. Don't say
I was
nothing,
just about
Fred.
to message your ass.
Don't say nothing, Fred. Don't say nothing. My word.
I was in Bitcoin years back. Goddamn, I pulled that shit out before it blew up.
Breaker blocks and
Bitcoin be scaring me. It's hard to trade that bit.
hey, look, here go Bitcoin.
I be like, fuck that shit.
My fault. I had to send a video to my students, y'all. My fault. But all right, hold on. Bitcoin, yeah, because that bitch just fell. I gotta see what's up with that bitch, nigga. Because my biggest trade of my trading career was off Bitcoin, and I'd be damned if I don't get a piece of that again. I mean, so let's talk about it. That bitch just fell well below 100K, nigga. This shit was at 125, 128. Word on game. So, and she gotta fall some more, bitch. Let me see.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, she gotta fall some more. She ain't done selling.
She gotta retest that little area she just broke out of.
Yeah, she gotta come down here and get these gaps, bro. This is the next buy. Look at the monthly too. We got a gap right below price on the monthly, right here. Me.
BTC USD.
I think all this down here is key area to buy. Like this gap and then this gap right here. She come gotta get that too. SL below the low, new all time.
BTC USD.
Huh?
Hey Tracy, I appreciate you, nigga, for that course, nigga. You a real nigga. Real shit, nigga.
How you fuck with that course? Hold on. Don't say that yet. Don't say nut yet. Hold on.
Got you.
I gotta pull up my phone for that.
Go and record this shit. I got
Let me get the live testimonial, man. Let me
give you a live testimonial, G.
Talk to me, bro. What that you said that course going crazy, bro?
Man, that course is busting, nigga. Already in the past, what, like 2 days? I bought me a little $100, you know what I'm saying, a little $100 little Hero FX account, nigga. I'm up 500 on that bitch. Off the motherfucker. I'm up 500 on that bitch.
Off the motherfucking goddamn.
God
kiss,
damn it.
Get Ooh,
Yeah,
that's
yeah,
Yeah.
damn
so
it.
like so look, let me ask you this, nigga. Like, does that course really open your eyes up to like a new way of
Nigga,
viewing sports type shit? You
yes.
feel me?
When I
Yeah.
seen, bro, like, all right, one thing I'm gonna show you, like, like the first big thing that really just changed this shit. All right, nigga, one, them trend line liquidation moves be fucking crazy.
Oh God.
Every single trend line liquidation, I take that shit.
Niggas
Swear
be
to God.
sleeping on trend lines, bro. Niggas be
And
sleeping
then,
on the
bro,
fact that
balance
go ahead.
price ranges, fucking breaker blocks. I added all that shit into my confluences, nigga. I caught the meanest CAD JPY trade.
Oh
I'm
my
talking
God.
about like, hold on.
Oh
I'm
my
gonna
God.
show you where I caught this bitch from. Go on CAD JPY chart.
Let me see. And where your entry at, nigga? I know I can see where you probably bought that bitch too. I can
Y'all talking
see.
about the ebook junk, or you got another course?
Yeah, he got the course, nigga. He got the video course. The
Yeah,
video course go
I
crazy.
got basically it got in off the feel of that gap, bro.
What is without
The big one, nah, the big one that was like open for I don't know how long.
Yeah,
But yeah,
sell or buy? You caught a sell or a buy?
a buy.
You bought that bitch down there?
A huge buy, yes.
Oh my God. Snipe
Where that first, it's like the one like GJ got. It's like a gap just like GJ. Bro, hold on. Zoom out.
I don't know where that bitch
Where that
at.
bitch at? Right
That bitch
there,
don't be
right
down there.
there, right there at that bottom. You see that shit?
Damn.
I caught right there
You
off
bought that
that
bitch
wick.
down there?
Yes, nigga. Yes.
You still
Yes.
holding that shit?
Nigga, I position traded all the way up to the top.
I ain't getting that shit back out. Are you not? Oh no.
You say you did what, nigga?
I position traded to a 110 500 and sold.
110.5. God damn.
That shit way down there.
Like all the way up there. I
You
had
took it all
caution.
the way to 110.5,
Yes,
niggas?
nigga, and it closed.
Nigga, that's the high.
Yes, bro.
Ooh, he put belt on that bitch.
I'm talking about
Damn, well,
BTA.
that course did that, nigga.
Yes, bro. I seen the balance price range form after she filled that gap, bro. I'm like, hold on, let me pop this bitch and see what it do. I ended up holding that bitch because shit, I was in profit and my stop loss never got hit. Put that bitch at BE, let it run. Seen that I was up like 200-300. I was like, shit, I'm gonna hold this bitch some more. She still going, you feel me? And that gap got filled, so I'm knowing where the fucking trend finna go, nigga. And we ain't even break them highs yet. Doom, she gave her the breaker structure. I was like, yeah, I'm holding this bitch. I'm G.
Come on now, easy
I'm G.
goddamn money, bro. That course,
That
course,
motherfucker, bro. I ain't gonna lie, if y'all ain't invested already, bro, get that shit, nigga. Cause me personally, bro, I'm glad I got my little motherfucking course. You know what I'm saying?
How much that junk cost?
When I bought it, it was on sale, but now the jump probably went up for sure. I know it for sure went up.
It's 500.
See what I mean? See what I mean? Y'all better cop that shit before that shit go up, bro. Cause I guarantee y'all that shit gonna be like a band, 2 bands next. Like I promise y'all, bro.
Word on
I was gonna say, that's still a bargain right now. That's still
It's
a bargain.
too many niggas. It's too many. It's too many niggas making money off this shit. Myself included. I ain't gonna lie.
Good.
Ridiculous, bro. It's absolutely insane. First of all, I appreciate that, nigga. That's love.
Hell yeah, nigga.
I didn't even know you was putting belt like that. That's what's up,
Bruh. I ain't gonna lie. you I ain't gonna lie. You and KJ and Don motivated me, bro, to get off, like to just get out the chat for a minute and just focus on bettering myself at this craft, bro. And then food, like I had the course from you, gang. Shit. That's just basically really all I needed, cause I really just need to relearn like everything that I learned already, but I learned it the wrong way. You feel me?
Word. See, that's where I come into play, y'all. That's why I come into play.
Oh God, he simplified all this shit.
Hearing that shit from the right motherfucking mouth, bro. That's love, bro. That's what's up. Yeah, you just made my morning, nigga. Ooh, weave.
Hell
Y'all
yeah,
better come
bro.
get this motherfucking course, nigga.
Y'all better get that bitch.
Quick sleeping on that
I'll
little
get that
500,
motherfucking next
nigga. Oh
week.
God, nigga. That nigga made 500 off of one trade off that bitch, nigga. Investing made back. Hell y'all talking
Oh
about?
God, investment made back +2.
Time, you
Plus
feel me? Y'all
2.
better quit playing with this shit. I got the best course ever, nigga. I don't give a fuck what nobody say. My testimonial speak, not me. Oh God. Let me look at Nas real quick. I just seen somebody say, gold. Hold on. Good shit.
Oh, y'all been in gold buys. I'm gonna tell you why I got in that.
We just got gold, but she needs to come down here.
I'm holding that bitch. I ain't gonna lie.
I will hold too, but
I'm in at 39.40 and 39.38.
Oh, you dogging her ass. You got you in there with JR and them call them signals. That's why. I mean, you want JR.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I know. I be seeing them call his signals too. I don't take them. because I do my own shit. But he was definitely valid. I seen that. That's the buy. That's why I was like, damn, I'm mad because I seen the nigga catch that Bachman. I'm like, how the fuck? But good shit.
Yeah.
Yeah, hold them buys, bro. Because I'm definitely expecting her to close on top of this gap. She do that, nigga.
I'm definitely holding.
Hey, you said the course is video, like the whole thing is video?
Hell yeah. Okay.
The whole thing is video. It's a whole video course from beginner to advanced. What is Forex all the way down to the goddamn advanced sauce, nigga?
Oh God.
Everything. If you don't know shit about Forex, it's gonna feed you.
Nigga, if you ain't never touched the charts in your life, you take this course, bro. I swear to God, you're profitable within like.
Oh, there ain't no reading in there. It's a little, probably like 25% reading. The rest.
All right, I'm gonna tell you what it is. The course
I'm
explains.
doing all the reading, nigga. I'm doing all the reading. It's like
exactly. You only
watch.
Yeah.
There's just straight video.
The ebook is what the reading shit is.
I got the ebook.
You covering your mic, Tracy? It's like you talking.
Quit asking me questions. Just buy this goddamn course, nigga. Y'all
Oh
see
God,
it?
Nah, I'm waiting on my check to drop, bro. I'm finna get that bitch real shit.
On soul, nigga.
That bitch dropping in a couple hours.
Word on my soul, come get this bitch, nigga. Like y'all see a new nigga make the fucking $1 million off of me every day, goddamn.
Nah, Jaquan, that nigga been missing though in the chat for a minute though. I ain't hear his voice.
That's
in a
why.
minute, bitch.
Just
I
had
see.
somebody
That's why. That bitch been grinding off that bitch been grinding off that course, nigga. Went and made
Real
a bag.
shit.
I don't really need no. You gotta think about it, fool. Before I already knew how to trade, nigga. Now I relearn. I had to go back and relearn that shit. I'm popping shit, nigga. Oh God, I don't even need a mentor, G. Just go back
Of course,
off.
like that. Yeah, I'm. Wait to this. I'm about to time. I'm about to text you in a minute, Zell. I got your Zell info.
Let's get it done. Let's get it done. Y'all better quit playing with this course, boy. I swear to God, nigga. I swear to God, y'all better spend that little $500, bro. That little $500 ain't shit to the amount of sauce that's in there.
Y'all gonna get that shit back, bro. I swear to God.
Like y'all don't got that shit, nigga. I don't watch y'all blow 10 million $100 accounts. Y'all got.
I'm gonna tell y'all this, fool. Would y'all rather spend $500 on blown accounts that you don't? First of all, one, you're gonna take signals and then try and blow the account around a full port and shit like that, right? Versus you taking that same 500 and putting that shit on the course, bro. You having all the knowledge you will ever need on Forex right now. Then, bro, you're gonna flip your account, gang.
Bro, you hit.
Because
This is not my mouth, bro. This is all my other students' mouths. Y'all hear me? Y'all hear me?
Indeed.
This is not
Yes, sir.
Get the fucking course. Like today.
You're going to flip.
As a matter of fact, y'all should have this course. Because nigga, y'all need it. Nigga, y'all know I teach like a motherfucking dog. But more importantly, it is motherfucking fourth quarter price action. How many times have I told you guys?
You didn't see. You study around this time.
It's the study.
Yeah.
It's study time, bro.
Keep saying
Just
that.
go ahead and invest in the course, bro. Just get it. Just get the fucking course and study that shit for the rest of the year. And nigga, if you don't start off 2026 goddamn on slap demon time, you can get a refund, nigga. Like that's how good I ain't. That's how much I stand on this course, bro.
Yeah.
Because every single person that's done watched the shit has done fuck around and made hella money off the shit, nigga.
Facts.
Every single person, nigga. It's not one person that has not bought this course. It's 100 people that done bought this course, 91 to be exact. I have had 91 amazing testimonials, nigga. I swear to God, on my mother's soul, nigga. Everybody's making money, bro.
Even your book. Even your ebook.
Even the ebook.
Oh, my
to the
mama.
point where my pop's watching the shit. He just made 117 last night.
And he just
off
started.
gold.
He
the
just
fuck we talking
started.
about? He just started live trading. You understand? Mama
sir.
finna watch this bitch. Fred got that bitch. Jacorn got that bitch. Everybody got that goddamn bitch, nigga. Come
And I got that one-on-one motherfucker
Chico
too.
got that bitch.
See,
I can't wait for the one-on-one promo, nigga. I can't wait for the next one-on-one promo. It's over with.
Who? What? I'll drop one right now. Say I won't.
Nigga, it's over. I'm telling you.
They don't get you started.
You blew up.
I love teaching, bro.
That one-on-one promo, bit. I'm on that.
Bro. I don't do this shit for the money, bro. Y'all, these testimonials that I get, bro,
Be bigger than the money to you.
It's my passion in life. The only reason why I charge because it's a business aspect to everything. I'm
And you
charge
got
for my
to.
time. But besides that, nigga, this is the reason why I keep going, nigga. Like I don't like talking to motherfuckers all day. But when it comes to doing this shit right here and hearing Tracy, nigga, you just changed my life, nigga. Tracy, you just made me fucking $5 million. Tracy, you just got to pass my funding. Tracy, you just did this. Nigga, you know how crazy that shit sound? Here it is.
Yeah, bro. I ain't gonna lie.
Say this shit every call.
The crazy
I used to blow, y'all know BG. I used to blow accounts like shit. I'm telling y'all. Y'all know
Yo,
me,
I've been
bro.
going for a minute, boy. How long you been studying, bro? I'm
Y'all
nosy
know
as shit.
full port that out. I used to full port them bitches on
I'm
G.
trying to tell you.
Now
I'm
it's
talking
like,
nigga how to
nigga,
manage his account.
I ain't got to risk shit. I could risk $20-$30 and make $300-$400.
Because the risk to reward BOD.
Shit be
You know
crazy,
the
nigga.
risk to reward
That's
is
a
insane,
fact.
bro. You can risk some bullshit and get a bag, nigga. Word
Oh
on my mama.
God.
Word on my mama, bro. Y'all just gotta know how to catch these trades.
That
That's the
shit
big
That's
crazy,
difference.
literally
bro.
that's literally what I've been doing, bro.
Y'all
Wait for
like
the
I say
perfect
every
time to
call.
enter.
Like I say every call, nigga, like it's a new person every day, bro. Like it's one thing where it's like y'all know like the big niggas in the chats, like me, KJ, goddamn niggas like
Exactly.
JR and shit.
But
You
with the
feel me? It's
small
one thing
niggas,
when
bro,
right, but when it's like the just like y'all niggas, you understand? Like, and I don't because
Yeah.
I'm just like y'all too, but I'm the mentor. You
But
get what I'm trying to say? Like, you
yeah.
feel me? Like
You the
when you see
students.
your fellow community members
Yeah.
doing the exact same shit that I'm doing off the exact same shit that I'm telling y'all, at
Teaching.
what point do y'all not wake the fuck up and be like, this nigga got the sauce? This nigga
You,
got the sauce. Word on
you
God, I
teach the
got it.
same thing. The
I
same
got it.
thing every
I
day.
been knew you had the sauce, nigga. You just expensive, but it's okay though.
You
Damn
It's
straight
okay
I'm
gotta
though.
catch some
expensive.
Chris,
discounts,
You
man.
worth the
Y'all want to
price
know
though.
why I'm
It's worth the
expensive?
you
price
gonna pay
though.
for what the
Y'all
fuck
want to know
you
why I'm
It's
get.
the
expensive?
knowledge.
Bro, y'all want to know why I'm expensive in all actuality. Y'all want to know, y'all want me to keep business perspective while y'all want to keep it all
KJ
the
is
way
too.
gangster.
Shit.
It's the
Niggas
reason
don't
why I'm
respect free.
niggas don't respect free.
That's a fact.
Why? I don't
That's a
give a fuck
fact.
how much you say, Tracy. If you taught me right now, respect it. Shut up. I don't want to hear it. I don't want to hear it on game. Niggas do not respect free. You don't
No,
put
that's
a
real
price tag
shit.
on what you're worth. Niggas gonna
When
think
you
that what
got
you're teaching is
They gonna
bullshit. You
fact.
when you
understand?
got
They
skin
don't,
in the
nigga.
game, bro,
I've been doing
you
this
got
shit for
more.
I've been teaching since goddamn 2020, nigga. Word on game, like I'm about to say 8 years, nigga. I've been teaching for 5 years, bro.
And
Word on my
somebody
mama.
just put in the chat, you not expensive. Like literally you not, because when the skill set, when
Not,
you
bro.
really learn
Y'all
the
niggas
skill, it's
scared to
not
spend that
expensive.
paycheck.
Yeah.
Bro,
Y'all
you're
be
not.
scared to spend that pay.
Y'all
Y'all
niggas
be
just don't
scared to spend
know.
one
Y'all
paycheck y'all
niggas,
ass
I'm
finna
about to
get
say,
next week.
y'all niggas just don't know how to spend money wisely. That's all it is. Like nigga, yeah,
Real
five
shit,
hundred
man.
Good
Money
dollars.
management.
investments.
$500 is
Risk,
not expensive. 6K for my mentorship. That's a little
risk
It's
expensive.
management
yeah,
outside
that's
the
I'm talking
talk.
expensive.
about,
6K is
yeah, I'm talking
expensive.
about the one-on-one type shit. I
6K
ain't
is
talking about
expensive.
$500. That ain't shit.
6K is expensive. But at the same time, when
I
it
spend that
6K,
on slides and shit. Like that ain't
It's
nothing.
you gotta
listen,
catch
six.
them on a discount. He
Now you
give
gotta
good
catch
deals.
me when you catch me. You better give me that
You
damn
gotta
Yeah.
catch,
6K period.
yeah.
Hey, look,
Yeah.
you just pay the fee. If you catch me on a discount, you catch me on a discount. But what I'm trying to say is, bro, 6K seems expensive now until you can print 6K in a fucking hour. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Y'all
Mm-hmm.
think you understand? Like 6K is not a lot of money. We just don't know how to print it. So
Yes,
when you got
sir.
to invest in 6K in something that's going to teach you how to print
6K
$5 million,
and more.
results stamped, right? We literally have a student that done took my shit and made 5 million plus in 2 months. So saying that shit to say, does 6K sound expensive to a nigga that just made 5 million? Do you
No.
understand? Like, it's not expensive when it comes to return on investment. The problem is y'all don't have the investment, which is fine, which is why y'all have the discords. You got the cheap packages like the course, got the
The
500 to
free
5K
courses.
challenge. Don't
Yeah.
tell me Esco Boomin ain't trying to get y'all to pay. That's what the
And
500 to 5K challenge is for. You see
everybody
what I'm
don't do
saying?
that shit too. That's one
You
thing we
feel me?
really appreciate you for real. Because everybody does not do it and teach as good as you when you do it for real.
Thank you. Thank you. You know what I'm saying?
That's a
That's how you know
fact.
I really have a passion for it, bro. Like I really love teaching, bro. That's why I try my hardest not to give y'all my sauce for free, but yet I'm on Zoom call with you guys for three,
You
4
give us
hours teaching y'all.
everything. No
You see
cap.
what I'm
I'm not
saying?
even gonna
Like
lie to you.
I be trying my hardest not to do that shit, but because I have such a passion in teaching, I love when
You
niggas I
can't
get
hide it.
text messages every single day, y'all. Every single day, 10, 20 plus messages every single day. Tracy, thank you. Tracy, thank you, nigga. I done made this much off your signal. Your course did this for me, nigga. Your ebook did this. Nigga, I know I ain't been saying nothing in the chat. Nigga, it's be niggas that y'all ain't heard from in years. That's in these discords that ain't been saying shit that done ran up 6, 7 figures, bro. They be giving me on the side, like, nigga, don't say nothing. Like, I want to stay low key, but nigga, you just made me X amount of money. Don't post it though.
Yeah,
Y'all,
type
nigga,
shit.
half of the shit that y'all the money I'm making, niggas, y'all don't even know because they told me to keep them anonymous. You understand?
Yeah.
Like y'all don't even know how much money niggas is making, bro. Like
You only
it's
talk about
absolute.
the people that want to be talked about type
I
thing.
only talk about the niggas that want to be
But you
talked about,
got way more.
bro. It's absolutely insane. And once
Yeah.
again, low me, bro. Like I was able, nigga. I don't even want. I'm not trying to spend this whole call gassing myself up. The point I'm trying to make is, at what point do y'all see that I got what y'all need, nigga? 6K, nigga, save shit the fuck up. 6K, nigga, take these motherfucking signals and get it. You know what I'm saying? Buy that motherfucking course, buy the goddamn ebook, take the cheap packages and upgrade up to the
bigger
big one.
packages.
That's how you do the shit. That's how you do it. You know what I'm
Cause
saying?
you're gonna have to put time in either way, bro.
Yeah, that's where the really part is. You got to put the hustle in. Nobody can put your own hustle in this game. He can teach as much as he wants to, tell you the right thing, but if you ain't got a hustle,
up to you, bro.
They can bring you to the water, can't make you drink it.
That's a fact.
That's the reason I got myself out of the signals chats while I was studying, because one food, I felt like that shit probably was gonna avert my psychology. I would still be in the signal takers mentality if I was still taking signals and trying to learn the charts at the same time. G.
I hear you. Yeah.
You're up.
You feel me?
Sometimes the best thing for you is to mute everything. You know what I'm saying? That means the mentor and all that. So what I mean by that is if you're in a signals chat, right? It's one thing if you have mentorship. Like if you have a mentor, obviously you don't mute that nigga, right?
Exactly.
If you in a signals chat, right, and then you fuck around and buy one of these niggas' course, ebook, whatever the case may be, and you studying that shit, that's your time to get away from everybody. You know what I'm saying? Because like you gotta think about it, bro. I seen niggas and GJ Slayers get into an argument this morning over gold. Like y'all niggas be when it comes to an analysis, bro. That's like talking about religion or goddamn fucking politics, nigga. Don't talk about my analysis. You understand? It's like when you got different
in reality, bro.
Also, when you got heads clashing when it comes to where they believe the chart is gonna go, what's that gonna do to your analysis if you're still trying to figure this shit out?
Exactly. Give your ass analysis paralysis.
So it's gonna give you analysis paralysis, bro. It's gonna make you feel like you're not looking at the right shit because someone else is looking at something different. Whole time, nigga, you looking at the right shit, your ass to end up playing, your shit end up playing out. They was wrong because you was goddamn scared. You weren't able to goddamn boom, boom, boom. You understand? Like you got to mute everybody.
And that's the reason why I missed out on like 300 pips on gold one time, G.
Man, fuck that shit. It happens to the best of us, nigga. Nigga, I got bro. I can speak about that a lot, bro. You see what I'm saying? Like it happens. That's why you got to mute everybody, but sometimes you just have to do that. But if you're not in that grind mode, bro, like some of y'all are still dependent on signals. Some of y'all do not want to invest in shit. Y'all just want us to feed you. You see what I'm saying? And yes, that can happen, but nigga, you're not gonna make but X amount of money doing that shit, bro. You're not gonna get rich off signals. Ain't none of these niggas that made 6 or 7 figures got rich off a signal. None of these niggas did. You see what I'm saying? These niggas got rich off of investing in courses, bro, investing in that mentorship and then putting in their own pay and taking their own trades, nigga. None of these niggas that y'all see from my shit that got rich are signal takers. None of them. None of them. You see what I'm saying? So it's like signal taking is going to get y'all but so goddamn far. I can make you money, but nigga, the second that I don't feel like doing this shit no more, then what? Your water's cut off. Your water's cut off, nigga. And then what you gonna do? Go pay the next nigga. You gonna forever be coming out of pocket. Forever. Versus just coming out of pocket once on the mentorship. Y'all niggas that pay me $125 a month to be in the signal chat.
Instead of paying that one good time, bro.
And learning how to trade yourself.
Make it make sense. What's 125 times 12? What's 125 times how long y'all been in my signal chat? Make it make sense, bro. Invest, nigga. Invest. Drop the pay. Get the sauce. It's not like the shit that I got is bullshit. Get the shit and study it. No gang. Turn your own self up. Quit relying on me to turn y'all up, nigga. Some of y'all niggas in this 500 to 5K signal chat begging for me to call the next signal. Like, on God, like Tracy, when is this next bitch dropping, nigga? Like, on God. Some of y'all on this goddamn Zoom call right now in the chat talking about when the next entry on gold. Nigga, you worried about the wrong motherfucking thing. You worried about the wrong thing. Oh God.
No
all y'all want me to do is feed y'all. All y'all want me to do is feed y'all.
And that
when I give y'all the shit and be like, here you go right here. Just take the shit and go run with it. You know what I'm saying? Niggas don't want to do that, but y'all mindset is ass backwards, and that's why y'all forever gonna be stagnant. For those that invest, them gonna be the one to turn themselves up. I ain't talking about investing in me. I'm talking about investing in themselves.
Anything in general.
You know what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
You understand? Invest in yourself, period. And we ain't talking about pay, time.
The money gonna come back.
The money comes, bro. The money is the last thing niggas should be worried about.
Exactly.
If study, work on the skill set, the money falls in your lap when your intentions are on the money. Quick, when you're coming in this bitch, and let me take that back because I worded that wrong. When your intentions are right, when you come in this motherfucker worried about making money, guess what you're gonna do? Lose money.
Because you're chasing it.
Because
You're
you
chasing money, bro.
Yeah.
Now, when you come in this bitch like, hey, bro, let me actually learn this motherfucking skill set, bro. Like, let me actually figure out everything that the foreign exchange market has to offer, nigga. I see the potential. I see what the fuck niggas is doing. I see the lives is able to change. Let me get this shit my all, nigga. Let me treat this shit like it's my 9 to 5 so I can replace that shit. When you treat it like that,
Then you just do a not to cut you off, Tracy. Then you just do a discount on Halloween. Everything was 50% off, wasn't it?
yeah.
He do discounts all the time. That ain't the only one.
I dropped
Yeah,
that.
I'm already knowing. I ain't do this shit.
Yeah,
I've been
like that's
here.
why.
I ain't even know about that shit, nigga. If I
Yeah,
was
he
you,
just
bitch,
did it on discount.
Did a 50% off
I
Halloween.
should have got it then. Some told me to buy that bitch. But
if
He
I
fuck
would
really
have
it.
knew
fucking.
that shit,
It is what it is.
Next
I ain't
one
tripping.
ain't
if I would have knew that
next
shit,
one ain't coming
boy.
until holiday season, unless I feel
Oh, I'm
good.
already knowing how
Black
Christmas
y'all
or
feel.
Friday or
Thanksgiving.
Christmas. Yeah.
Christmas or
Yeah, you
Thanksgiving.
got the Christmas
Thanksgiving
and
coming
New Year,
up.
but
I can't
Thanksgiving
wait
ain't
that long.
Thank-
Hell no, I'm on a mission. I'm trying to
Some
get
of
that
y'all
bitch
niggas
behind.
like that's y'all prop. See, not
See,
just
and
talking
that's
about
the
you,
patience.
not just talking about Shorty,
Yeah.
not just talking about Shorty in general, but just period. Nigga, some of y'all got that pape right now and still will wait until a Christmas promo. Nigga, just get it.
That's what I'm
Yeah.
saying. Like, I ain't wait.
Just
I could
get
have more knowledge by then. Shit, by the time you drop another discount,
get-
I'm gonna be advanced more than what I am
Bro,
now.
y'all
Like,
get
what the
this
fuck?
shit now, bro. Y'all get this shit now and study that shit for a month. But word on game, y'all had the best Christmas ever. Christmas right around the corner. Don't y'all got to spend pay for Christmas? Huh?
I
Hey,
ain't spending shit.
for me,
I don't
word on
celebrate.
game. For me, goddamn, September through December is the worst time of the year, bro. Everybody, it's holidays and everybody birthdays, nigga. Everybody. You know what I mean? This is why, nigga, this time of the year for me, bitch, I got to make a bag. Nigga, I have to, nigga. We got all the holidays, we got all the birthdays. I know some of y'all is like that too, nigga. Christmas is up here. Some of y'all got families, nigga.
I'm ready for January because I've been watching gold for 2 years, bro. And that bitch just been on the rise since I got back into trading. So it's like, bro, it's crazy because it's crazy that he popped up and went to talking about the course because I was gonna take that 500, bro, and go put it in my sports betting account, bro,
Hell
and bet the
nah.
money, bro.
Nigga, I'm gonna tell you
This nigga
this.
came on
From
the
a nigga
call,
who
bro. I've been up since 1 a.m. last night, y'all working this shit, right? This nigga came on the call, bro. He ain't been on here in a minute, bro. So I was like, damn, nigga sound familiar. Who the fuck that is? And he would have talking about the course. I was like, oh, that's the one nigga that always be in the chat, always be up there early talking and shit. Man, that shit just crazy. But I just feel like that's nobody but God just saying, go ahead, get that bitch now. Do not wait.
I'm gonna tell you from somebody who sports
Be
bet.
one of the main niggas that got them came on the call.
Yeah, he always
contradicted. Like he would talk the whole goddamn call and contradict everybody else announcing.
KJ used to mute his ass.
Now
and
he done
shit,
went and got them studied that goddamn course. The
Facts.
nigga don't got shit to say now because he know the shit valid. It's good. It's great.
Nah, that. But now, fool, it's like, all right, I'm gonna tell you from somebody that used to sports bet a lot, bro, and I was making good ass money from that shit. I mean, like 3K every weekend, almost, fool, like real shit. Sports betting cool and all, bro, but in reality, that shit is 60-40, G. That shit is 60-40. 40% of the time you're going to win, 60% of the time you're going to lose.
What's up, Jaquan?
I'm not fucking with. It's too many ins and outs going on with that.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah,
like
that
it's
shit
too
dead,
it's
bro.
too it's too much
Sports
risk
betting.
involved. Yes, you can get a return on your money. Yes, you can make X amount of money. Yes, you can make a lot of fucking money, bro, but it's not sustainable.
It's not sustainable. It's not long term. A nigga that believes that sports betting
What's up, man?
is on the same level.
What's
nigga
good,
that believe,
Jaquan?
nigga, hold on. First of all, happy birthday. I hear me talking though. Happy birthday, Anthony.
On G.
Y'all tell Anthony happy birthday,
Happy birthday,
man.
my nigga.
Happy birthday,
Happy birthday, G.
Yeah, I appreciate it.
That meant the 250 right there. Yeah, man.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
That meant
He missed the 250. Ain't missed the 250 no more. Missed 250 ain't 250.
Man, because you just went and spent $350,000 on a truck.
No cap.
He just went and bought a 2026 fucking.
That's
dump
type of
truck.
shit I'm trying
A
to be.
tractor. He got a tractor.
A 2026 dump truck, nigga. That
Yeah,
shit
Western
350.
That boy got
Storage.
a dump truck.
Yeah, I already got one.
Yeah,
I'm at
he
work
got
right now.
That nigga got a big ass business.
That bitch drive itself. That
I'm
bitch
at
drive
work right
itself. That
now.
bitch got a
Oh,
dump.
flying. Hold on.
That bitch got a dump truck that drive itself. You in that truck now? Let me see.
Nah, I'm not in that one. Not yet.
Type shit. Yeah, he just
Still
went.
gotta
He just
finish
went
up
and cashed out. He talking about some.
Yeah, I got a contract with Walmart. So all these
Oh
trucks
yeah,
out
you
here.
win now. I want to get one with Prime and shit. Just a trailer.
Yeah.
He's talking about some. He ain't missing 250 no more, nigga. Yes, you is. Just because you spit it, don't mean you ain't make it.
Yeah.
And just run it up again.
Hey, what's the game you was about to give right quick, bro? What you was gonna say?
I forgot because niggas want to cut me off and shit.
Shit, it's whatever.
I fucking forgot. That's why I hate when y'all be cutting me the fuck off. Trump ain't
Y'all
talking
gonna-
about shit. Trump ain't
Man,
talking
I
about shit, obviously. This
Right.
shit ain't good at all.
He finna make me some more money.
It's that orange folder shit I be talking about, bro. That orange folder ain't talking about shit.
Y'all boys got to share the knowledge, man. Y'all can't be greedy and shit.
It's crazy they used to call this nigga
we
Trump
is sharing
Orange.
the knowledge. What you talking about?
Damn, when a nigga trying to get the juice, let me get my little juice in. You know what I'm saying? I better be on this bit yapping it up. You feel me? It's all love though. Ain't tripping.
God. Yeah, she on y'all motherfucking ass. Quit them talking. Okay. Quit motherfucking
I paid for this
talking
bit
while
just
big
like
ass-
y'all,
while
bitch.
big ass
I
go
paid to
boom
be in
and
this
talk.
bit.
Hey, I didn't say nothing. I just came on the call.
No, you good.
All right. Anyway, anywho, you know what I'm saying? This bitch ain't talking about shit. Ain't none of these charts talking about shit at all. Ain't none of these bitches moving.
didn't.
No.
I see a good NJ play about to happen soon.
I'm on all JPY pairs. I'm on their ass now. All on.
I'm thinking NJ might be bearish down to that monthly gap or that monthly gap.
No, not if all the other JPY players fall.
But I ain't gonna lie, nah.
Not if all the other.
What you think about GJ? Because I still been holding them bars as you called at 2 this morning.
I'm holding the fuck out that bar.
I'll hold. I ain't gonna
I was
lie.
wondering how many people was up when I called that bitch. Who caught that GJ signal?
Man, I wake up 2:30
Here's
in the
the
morning.
thing. I was looking at GJ Bods last night. Why gold was like having this little retracement, right? I seen GJ.
Hey, stop doing that GJ correlation with gold.
No, I know, but it's like I don't know
Nah,
why,
bro, it's
but
a bad
whenever
habit. It's a bad
I
habit,
know,
bro.
but whenever I see like
I gotta correlate nozzle
I was
gold.
up at like 3-4 in there because I know DJ starts to move around 4 in the morning type shit. You feel me? So I was like, boom.
But you gotta think the time change affects it too, though.
The time did just go back. I forgot all about that shit.
Yeah, so that's why everything be moving way different now at different times.
Damn, I just thought about that shit. That may be something I gotta look into.
I'm like, that makes it different on the charts.
Yeah, because you got to think like normally we looking for like Asian at like 3 or whatever, so forth and so on. It's not the same no more. It's already an hour ahead, so at 4 o'clock, it's already making that move. It's making the move that it would normally make at 3.
The market has to goddamn adjust to the time going back. Ain't no way it just.
No, it don't. Go look.
I'm gonna look at my own zone. I'm gonna look at my own zone.
We went back an hour, not forward. So we used to look at 4. Now you gotta look at 3.
Yeah.
I'm talking about goddamn price itself. Like does the whole does my sessions really go back an hour now? Oh, I would hope not.
You wouldn't think so, because the candle
think
close.
so, right?
Still
You wouldn't think
the
so.
New York candle close will still be at the
9:30
same
is
time.
still 9:30. No matter
9:30
what.
is gonna
You
make
feel
a
what I'm
move.
saying? No
Yeah.
matter 9:30 don't turn to 10:30.
I mean, like you said,
You
we're
dig
gonna
what
have to
I'm saying?
back test that for sure. But
Yeah, 9:30 don't turn to 10:30, nigga. It don't matter. You feel me?
I'm
The
just
session still start at the
he's
same
saying
time.
not in Japan. They don't do daylight saving time and shit.
Oh, he in Japan. Oh, that's why.
That nigga's
No,
not in Japan.
I'm just saying the whole Asia like.
not in no motherfucking Japan.
No, I'm saying Asia as far as the Asian session, they banks and shit ain't regulated with our banks as far as time and shit go.
Man, I don't know. That's
I
some
don't
dumb
know
shit.
either, but that's a good thing. Like that's
I
some
know
shit to
good
look.
and well that just wouldn't make sense for if just because time does go back, don't get it fucked up. That doesn't mean all the market session switches and goes back an hour or two. That doesn't make sense. That doesn't make fucking sense. I could be wrong. I'm gonna back test it, but that doesn't make sense.
Would that make sense? Would it not make sense if we do respect the time change and they all don't respect the time change?
It's still the
have
one.
to if they want to
Go
trade.
to Nash. Go to Nash.
I don't give the fuck if the time went back or not. I'm treating everything as if you feel me. Don't nothing change for me. Y'all get the point I'm trying to make? I ain't pushing shit back an hour. The time may have went back. My session still stand. You know what I'm saying? Like it does. I've been
That's
trading
how it
for
was
8
for
years,
me.
nigga. I've been trading for 8 years, nigga. I ain't never seen the market sessions go back an hour when the time went back.
Yeah, that's some shit you gotta ask ICT.
You feel what I'm saying? That shit wouldn't make it. It just wouldn't make sense. Like for example, where's 9:30 at today? Where's 9:30? Let me see. Hey, it just would not make fucking sense, bro. Algorithmically, it wouldn't. That's a lot of adjusting that the market and everything we have to do. That's a lot. So happened at 9:30 versus what we went back an hour. So what do I have to compare it to 8:30 or 10:30?
10:30, because shit would have been 10:30 last week.
All right, so here's 9:30. We had our flash up, flash down. That's what started the move. Typical 9:30 shit. Flash up, flash down. Typical 9:30. Let's see 8:30 to see if there was like any type of significant move.
You would be looking at 10:30.
10:30 game.
10:30.
Yeah,
Okay,
time went back, so you gotta go full.
Let's go 10:30. See if there's any significant move for me to believe that this shit will go back. 10:30 is right here where my candlestick at. That bitch.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No
Consolidation.
Let's go back a day before. Because this shit just went back like yesterday or the day before, right? It just went back.
This weekend.
I think it was Sunday.
It was Sunday at 2 a.m.
Saturday going into Sunday, yeah.
You in the nighttime, Tracy.
Stupid. Thank you. Good to have more eyes on this bitch. Thank you. All right, here's 9:30 on the Monday. That's typical 9:30. Flash up, dump off. Liquidity runs. Makes sense. Where's 10:30? 10:30. Boom, boom. Right here, my cross.
Flash down, flash up. Consolidation.
10:30 right here, where we got it created this low right here. 10:30 price created this low, and then broke structure type shit. Is it the same as this move?
Hell no.
No. You know what I'm saying? It's more back testing. It will definitely have like to do back testing on like all the pairs and shit, JPYs and all that. But once again, like it just wouldn't make sense for the sessions to go back or time to move or price to move differently based on the hours going back. That's a lot
Did
of
price ever come back to touch them highs?
What highs?
Those. Yeah.
No.
Like in the new all-time highs, I think.
The only thing I would say about that is this is something that respects the U.S.'s time. It's Nas 100.
Oh yeah, that shit from the fly.
Nigga, I just look. Well, we gonna see. We gonna see. That 9:30 still stands.
Retracement.
As long as 9:30 still stands, the rest of the algorithm has to stand. You understand? Like 9:30 is like the motherfucking. It's like the glue. You feel what I'm saying? If 9:30 till at 9:30, everything else goes. Wait.
I'm just playing devil's advocate. I get you though.
Hawaii don't do daylight savings. See, if the whole world don't go, the whole world doesn't even go off of time going back. Does it?
Nope.
The whole world don't even go off of it.
That's the point.
So that means that it wouldn't make sense for price to go back.
Yeah.
It wouldn't make sense for price to go. Yeah, right?
That's the whole world doesn't do it. If that's
because the whole world doesn't fucking do it. So if the United States did the shit and like US dollar, like think of like USD JPY.
Tracy,
am I tripping?
No, you're not. But if you're in the UK,
think of it like this. Think of it like this. The whole world starts a race at 9 o'clock, right? And we change our clock to go back or forward or whatever. We would start off.
Yeah, exactly. So if the time changes where you are, so in the UK and England, our clocks went back.
The market stays doing what it's doing, but we are changing our starting time.
Yeah,
that's the only way.
Yeah, UK and this bitch.
That's the only way it would not make sense. But that's all I'm saying. But I agree.
You lot don't have to worry about it. We have to worry about it. If you're in a country where the clock's changed, New York 9:30 would have been say 3:30 last week, but then when the clocks change, actually New York 9:30 is now 4:30, or it's
right.
So I have to change. But if you're in the States, it's still 9:30.
Get what I'm saying?
Oh, that's the thing.
Yeah, I have to adjust.
Yeah, okay, that makes sense.
We have to adjust to the new 9:30.
We don't have to adjust because our clocks automatically go back.
Yeah, exactly.
But people outside of the United States have to adjust.
Yeah. So before, a few weeks ago, it would be 2:30 in the afternoon is like your 9:30 for me. Now it's 3:30, or it's earlier. So, but you don't have to worry about that unless you plan to move to the UK.
Right. Makes perfect sense. I'm glad we was able to get that together. I felt so fucking stupid just now. I swear to God.
No, but that move, like you said, at 6, the New York move should still stand the way it is at 9:30 at always, right?
Yeah, but goddamn, once again, for us, nothing changes because our clocks go back, so the market is going to adjust. You feel what I'm saying? Everything for us, we don't have to do anything.
Yeah.
For everybody else that doesn't go along with the time change, they have to adjust. You see what I'm saying? That's people outside the United States.
Yeah, and the market closes earlier for me now. So before, the market would close, I think it was at 10 p.m. Now it closes at 9 p.m. here.
Wow.
That's
because
crazy.
we've adjusted our time, but it's the same time for you.
Yeah. We're on time.
Yeah, we're the ones fucking with the clock, so we got to deal with it, basically.
All we gotta do is look at the afternoon. I mean, if the market still closes at 5 p.m., then nothing changed.
Which it does. So once
It
again,
still does.
that's an adjustment that others have to make outside the United States. But for us, we're fine. And that's what's up. That's good to have somebody out. Boy, it's good to be
that is facts.
It's good to be worldwide, boy. It's good to be known worldwide.
People you
boy.
teach everywhere. No cap.
On game, boy, because we would have never got to the bottom of that.
Get that quick answer.
Okay.
Yep. And it's a real answer.
That's what's up, boy. It's good to be known worldwide. I love that. Word.
And you put it all in your music.
Hey, Tracy, nigga, you made me get that Take Profit Trader account. And I'm up 1,200 on that bitch, too.
I'm not y'all want me to be all the way hot with y'all? I blew my shit.
For real?
I already know you did because the drawdown is different.
Them future moves fast, boy.
No, it won't the drawdown. In all honesty, I didn't know about like how big the contracts is gonna be moving and shit. I put five contracts down on Nas.
Well,
I mean, I'm not on Nas on gold. That
depends.
Drawdown, it was too much.
If you're doing the mini, the minis are the micro or macro or something. They value the weight different. Like so, like the minis, they like 5 of those contracts are one of the bigger contracts on the regular gold.
Yeah. I'm gonna tell y'all how this shit works.
You were talking to me crazy when I said
one
minis
micro
and
contract
micros.
is 0.10.
I had bought this bitch downhill, bro. Like word on gang, I had bought this bitch.
One micro to 0.10, bro.
Yeah, that's the value. But if you
use my trade,
an old clock is a 1 lot.
This is my trade right here. I swear to God.
That nigga used 5 lots on gold.
My
on
trade
futures.
ended up 1 and 2, bro. But the drawdown clipped me, bro. And once again, I didn't know, bro, because like I'm still trying to figure out on TradingView like how to goddamn see your risk and all that. It was my first day for trading futures. You know what I'm saying? That was it was like a rookie mistake type shit. But what happened was I bought this bitch right here at 50% of this pullback on this gap, and this drawdown right here had me in drawdown $4,500, and that's my drawdown limit.
Because you play 6 contracts.
What platform they use? What platform are you using? Like TradeAvate, Ninja Trader?
Yeah, TradeAvate. Yeah, TradeAvate.
Why don't you just use a TradeAvate platform? They shit better.
In
my opinion,
use motherfucking TradingView. They said that's the
bruh,
lit shit. Use
I'm telling you, I don't know why, but I can't trade gold from TradingView on my shit.
I prefer TradingView.
I prefer TradingView too.
That's why I've been using fucking.
Once again, I'm still learning this shit, bro. Like, don't put that on me. Got them not knowing how. That was like,
all right. Hold on. Teach me how to set my shit up to where I can trade gold, though.
The only thing you messed up is you just traded the wrong gold. Like you said, you was on mini instead of macro, because then you would have properly did your risk management that you wanted to. But since you had the bigger move, like if that, like you said, you didn't see that much drawdown or had a bigger drawdown limit that you could have been in, you would have
really could have popped one whole con.
Yeah, that would have smacked. That was a crazy.
You really could have popped one whole con anyway, fool.
So, but it's okay.
Even one con right there would have been like 1,500, 2,000 for you right there.
So I'm telling you, now I know that. Now I know that. You know what I'm saying? So
I
already bought 2 more, bro. Like I'm on these niggas' ass. You know, I got 2 more.
Oh yeah, you in that?
You know what I'm saying? Like now
it take less capital for real.
I'm personally up 1,200 on gold and
more discipline.
MNQ.
Nah, goddamn. Now that I know how the contracts like move as far as like pips and shit like that. Now I know how to play that shit, bro. I won't pop no 5 no more. I'll stick with like 1 or 2. Like really 2 is all a nigga need, bro. Seeing how that
real shit.
Yeah, 2 is enough.
Yeah,
2 is enough. 2 to 3 is real good numbers.
Okay. So now that I know that, I'm telling you ass up. But that's what ended up happening to me, nigga. I got hit with that motherfucking email, bitch. But I ain't had that email. Y'all know that email, boy. That goddamn that account breach, boy. That motherfucker make your goddamn heart drop, nigga.
Man, I seen that shit.
As soon as you see the email, you like, I already know I blew it.
Hey, my first time with.
They seen that bitch right
I
after
swear to God. Hey, look. I swear to God. I had this chart up, nigga. I'm watching this motherfucking drawdown, right? I'm watching this bitch, nigga. Like, I'm watching the trade, bro. That bitch got right here, nigga. It didn't even get all the way down here, nigga. That bitch got like
bye-bye.
That
bitch closed all the trades. That bitch logged me out of trade.
I
said, what the fuck? I was
back
like,
in,
oh, that email came within 10 seconds, nigga. Account breach. I said, damn.
It's
They
not the
said that
same
bitch
as your
instant,
live.
Brian
bro.
had that. Brian ain't got that email in years, nigga. That shit brought back memories, nigga. I was like, oh my god.
Oh God, that's a
You know
different
what
type
I'm
of hurt.
saying? Word up, that's a different type of hurt. We back at it though, nigga. Oh, so y'all know
Yeah.
I'm always keep it gangster with y'all. You know what I'm saying? That's
Nah,
what
you
that's
just being
Hey,
real.
wait. So how
So
did they let you trade gold on your TraderVate shit? Because they don't let me trade gold, bro, on TraderView.
Bro,
nigga. You
because
go right here to
you gotta go
goddamn.
to
You go to the futures chart.
GC1.
Yeah, you
Yeah.
go to this chart right here.
GC1.
Yeah, GC1 is
GC.
gold.
Yeah,
how
Hold
you in
on,
yeah, you gotta go
GC5?
GC1.
Yeah, if you get on this chart right here, nigga, you can press buy sell right there.
GC1.
You can't. It's not XAU USD on futures, nigga. It's you got to use
Yeah.
I know, but I couldn't I don't know why, but whenever I used to like go to the thing and press the how you go symbol search, right? And then press TraderVate.
Nah, yeah, it ain't gonna be on there.
Okay, bet. So it's with Comex.
Mm-hmm.
All right, bet. Heard.
Oh
yeah.
So we back at it. Somebody said Top Step, nigga. Once again, I'm new to futures, nigga. So I
Yeah,
got
Top Step.
I got
Top
take
Step,
profit. I got take profit.
Top Step
Goddamn.
cool. Top Step cool, but once you pass your challenge and
150.
shit, you gotta trade like 5 days before you can get a payout.
But that's not
But
bad.
that
Not
ain't
bad, bro.
bad.
For
With take
$50,
profit,
bro.
with take profit, you got to get to a buffer limit. So like once I pass,
Yeah.
like I
But
got
I'm
150,000, right? I got 150,000. I have
Yeah,
to
you gotta
make
have a 9K buffer, right?
I gotta make $4,500. You see what I'm saying? I gotta make the 9K is the target goal. Once I get that target goal and I pass the account, I have to make at least $4,500. I can do that shit in like 2 days. So it's not a time limit, but you have to make $4,500 so that you have that. But it's called a buffer zone because they don't want your account to get back to the original balance. So you make
Mhm.
you make $4,500, and then after you make that 4,500, everything on top of that you can withdraw every single day. You see what I'm saying? But you
Yeah.
have to make
Makes sense.
4,500 first. You see what I'm saying? So take profit has the time. We got like the specific amount of money you got to make before you withdraw.
So
Kind of
basically,
same
you gotta
thing.
make a 9, and then from the
You got to make
9, you can
9 and
only
then make 45.
yeah, exactly, and then you can
Make
withdraw. Okay,
you
cool.
got to make that's for the
Say no
150K.
more.
You know what I mean? Different numbers for
That's what
different
I'm
people.
going for.
Yeah, I only want the big accounts. I don't want no little baby accounts. We don't do
Once
that.
I pass each one, I'm just gonna combine all 3, and I'll be
That's what
straight.
I'm trying. That's
why
what
the
I'm trying to
gaps look
do, bro.
like this,
That's what I
bro?
went. That's why I went and bought 2 of them, bro. Because like take profit, you can have 5. So like I'm
Yeah,
sitting
but
here thinking like, I mean, I'm
hey,
not take profit. No, yeah, take profit. You
Top
can have
step.
5. So no,
top.
take profit. You can have 5. Top stuff you can have like 20 from what I heard.
How about to say
No,
it's
no,
like
no, no. That's the other way
Apex?
Nah, that's
around. It's the other
Apex.
way
Something
around.
like that.
It's the
It's
other
the
way
other way
around.
around. Yeah.
Oh shit. Well, shit, nigga, we lit. Oh,
Top
yeah.
step, you can only have 5. With take profit trade, I believe it's like 16 to 20. And
Yeah,
then
that's
Apex
crazy.
also
Imagine you because look,
also
these
offer 20.
150, these 150K accounts, nigga. These bitches only like $200, nigga. Just cheaper than any fucking forex prop firm ever. Fuck you talking about?
Hey, but the good thing
150.
about trading off TraderVate, you can trade all your accounts at the same time type shit. Like you can copy trade on TraderVate. So if
Okay,
you
yeah,
was
TradingView.
Yeah,
yeah, with
that's
TradingView
the
you
first
can't
part.
do it on some shit.
Type
That
shit.
But
copy
And
like
that's the
trading.
reason I was choosing the TraderVate platform because nigga, if I'm finna scale accounts, bruh, after I pass this 50K, get a payout, more than likely I'm probably finna buy before I'm buying a 150K before a payout, but still. If I'm finna fucking copy trade these bitches, I might as well be on TraderVate.
nah, fair.
I definitely want to copy trade them, bro. Because at that point, like, you feel me? I this is what made me really go get the futures account. Like, y'all know my students been trying to get me on futures for like 2 years, but I was
No
always like,
cap.
if it ain't broke, don't fix it, nigga. And it still ain't broke to be honest. But what made me goddamn switch? I went to Florida, bro, and I was talking to like some of my goddamn homeboys that be trading and shit. And I talked to a couple of my students and shit. And goddamn, they got pulling out receipts, nigga. Like, y'all know I need to see receipts. I need to see withdrawals. These niggas
Yeah,
showing me goddamn 3, 4, 5K every single motherfucking day. If they been doing
Oh
that
yeah, I
shit, nigga,
seen.
I
Yeah, I seen.
and that's how about
Yeah,
and that's
the
how about
minimum withdrawal is like 3-4K.
so they get that shit daily.
Yeah.
Daily. Like nigga, what prop
Yeah,
firm can you withdraw
withdraw.
daily from? You
Yeah,
feel what I'm saying? Like you can
I seen
withdraw
on your
daily.
story.
That means all you gotta do
Yeah.
is pop the trade, make the chicken, bitch. That's yours.
yeah.
That's
Mm-hmm.
yours. You see what I'm
What
saying? So
prop
it's
firm
like,
is that?
bro, take
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 profit.
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 Oh, that's Take
Take
Profit.
profit. You can
Oh,
withdraw every single motherfucking day. Every day. And these niggas was pulling 3, 4, 5K off of 50K accounts, nigga. I got a 150. You understand? So like if they
So
doing
some people
that,
like, yeah.
Like, you
It's gonna be
understand?
triple.
Like, and then niggas started telling me about what I didn't know about was the copy trading. So when niggas told me that you can goddamn buy, got them 10, 15
20
accounts,
accounts. Yeah,
and
it's like
then
$1 million some
literally you
dollars.
don't gotta make 5K on one account no more. You can just make 200 on one account. That shit
And you
transfer to
trade
all
on
20
everything.
accounts. You
Yeah.
understand?
Yeah,
Like,
and they put
nigga,
out.
that's a bag. And then you put a
Yeah.
withdrawal on all them bitches, nigga.
And
Are
you
you
do
kidding
with
me?
percentages. Yeah.
Nigga, what? Nigga, now that's what type time I'm on. Like, that's what type time I'm on. I'm still on Forex. I'll never quit trading Forex. Like, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna strictly trade. Futures is gonna be for nines and gold. You see what I'm saying? US 30 and
Right.
shit. Currency pairs is gonna be like, we're gonna keep the Forex brokers for that. But I'm definitely on. Once I heard that, bitch, all I had to see was them.
Ooh,
All I had to see was them bank accounts, nigga. Niggas got to show me pay. When I
I
seen
might
that, I'm
take
like, all right.
the fucking.
And the shit only
I might
$200.
take the withdrawal.
Use this. Look, I got a promo code for anybody that want to get an account too. Goddamn, that
Low
bitch
Drop
key
it.
knock the
might
shit.
take this
That
withdrawal.
bitch
Drop
knock
it
the
in
shit
it.
down like
Yeah, I'm
$150,
gonna need.
bro.
I ain't got no
It's
take
no. I
profit.
got one for no fee, like the no fee 40 code.
Yeah, no
That
fee
junk give
40.
you
Yeah.
40% off.
Yeah, that shit knocked 150K down to like 210.
Yeah,
With
it's
the code.
216.
Yeah, there you go.
That's straight. Hell
And
yeah, I'd
that's the
rather
thing.
do
I could
that.
take a gold withdrawal right now and buy that bitch.
I'm telling. I was bought 2 more of them bitches, nigga. They'll be past
I can add this on to the little 50K I got right now. I'm already up 1,200 on mine. I just waiting for my reset.
Easy money. Excuse me, easy money. Word, yeah. Futures got it.
Nah,
Futures
for
got it,
real.
bro. I ain't gonna
Futures,
lie.
bro,
That
you can
no
make.
spread. Then when I popped my first trade and I seen that no spread, I was like, oh shit. Yeah. Okay. I said, okay. Oh, we can get instantly in profit off the flap. Okay. That means, nigga, bitch, pop the right motherfucking contract size, nigga. You buy that bitch on the
And
pullback.
snipe that bitch.
That bitch go
Might
from here to
close
here.
gold
That
and
bitch
then
go
just
from
wait for
here
retracement.
to here. That
10
bitch go
points
from
or some shit.
there to there. Bag. In and out that bitch, nigga. Are you kidding me? Don't let me hold that bitch all the way up there. Bag.
Feel me? Catch the
Oh,
FVG for an instant $10, $13. It's just some little shit. That shit gonna
you
go
feel
crazy.
me? Well, that shit paid, nigga. I got so addicted to this shit, boy. That's probably why I blew my goddamn shit, nigga. I was on pressing buttons all
You
day.
said you need to lock yourself out, nigga. Did you
On
ever
my
do that?
mom. No, nigga. I kept trading.
Bruh.
Bro, I was
You do
having too
that,
much
bitch.
goddamn fun. I was
You wanna know
experimenting on this
something? You
bitch,
can.
bro.
I'm gonna tell you your risk where you go to set your risk settings and shit at. All right, you gotta go on Tradeovate to set your risk settings on your account, cause it'll still lock you out on Top Step too. I mean on Trading View too. You gotta go to look the little fucking blue box on Trader View. It's gonna say risk settings once you log into the account and shit. And then shit, you can set your daily loss, your weekly loss, daily profit, and weekly profit triggers. You can also get the liquidation policy and add the account that you wanna lock yourself out and shit.
I've been hearing about that trailing drawdown too. I heard that I can pop a trade, right? Boom,
Yeah.
be in profit $1,000, put my stop loss at break even. That bitch reverse, nigga, I lose $1,000.
Yes.
That's what I heard. I heard that
Yes.
trailing drawdown.
Yes.
Like that's old fucking deep. That
So
means
if it reverses
that means they want
and
you
it
to
goes,
take your money the second.
yeah, you got to take your money. When you up, you got to take your money.
Yeah, you gotta take that chicken. You see what I'm saying?
My
When niggas
homeboy was
trail-
just telling me about this.
Especially when you're in that
Bitch, I'm
buffer
trailing my
zone.
stop off the flap. Like the second I get in profit, nigga, ain't gonna be no reverse.
That's how it's supposed to be, bro.
Price gonna be here, nigga. My stop gonna be right the fuck there. I ain't playing. Futures is a scalper's game, bro. It's in and out. You can't
No
even goddamn.
cap.
Them niggas don't even want you to be swinging. You can't even hold the trade past 430. You know what I'm saying? Trailing easy, just gotta trust yourself. You know, I know.
I know what I'm finna do right now. I already got a 50K
Right,
account.
it ain't even no point of holding. You gotta have all that shit closed at the end of the day.
Man,
Anyway.
shit, nigga, you'll make $1,000 so goddamn quick, nigga. Shit, give me $1,000 a day, bitch. It's really all the nigga needs to succeed. It's $5K a week.
Yeah.
Shit. It's like nigga, y'all niggas be too worried about getting stinking rich. Nigga, you give me
Overcomplicated.
$500 to $1,000 a day, nigga. I am cool. Nigga,
No
really
problem.
$100 a day to pay a rent at the end of the month.
Real shit, 3K a month.
$100 a day to pay a
500
rent.
to 1,000 just keep you off the chart every day.
500 to 1,000. Got boy, 500 to 1,000. If y'all
That's a
consistently
doctor
make
salary.
500 to 1,000. Drop a one in the chat if you would be perfectly fine with everything in your life right now. If you could just make 500 to $1,000 a day on autopilot. I'm talking about on autopilot. Without even having to worry about it.
One. You can really do anything you want to do
One
after you
fucking
set
one,
this
right?
shit up.
That's a six-figure lifestyle
That's a
right
big
there.
stick a year. Nigga, word on gang, bro.
Off the button too. At that.
That shit
Y'all want to
multiple
know
six
a
figures.
personal testimony? I had checked my bank account, right? I wanted to know how much money I spent this year. You feel me? It's only November. Last year, I made
One son.
I made one son pops. Last year I made $105,000. Period. You see what I'm saying? Off trading. This year, I have spent $175,000. I spent it.
Damn.
You dig what I'm
So
saying?
that
Off
man,
of
yeah.
trading profits alone, nigga. I've been spending $20,000 a month like it's nothing. Like it's nothing. I haven't even been peeping that shit. Why? You know what I'm saying? Because when it gets to a point where, why we keep telling y'all like money's the last thing a nigga worried about. When the skill set is what you feel me?
The main
I don't
thing.
gotta check, nigga. The bank. I don't even check the bank account, bro. I don't. You see what I'm saying? That bitch could be
Just
negative right
live.
now, and I wouldn't even fucking know it because I know I can make the pay tomorrow. You
Yeah.
understand?
Yeah.
Like it's that goddamn serious, bro. Like, nigga, this shit is absolutely insane, bro. This skill set is the most lucrative skill set on planet Earth, nigga. Point blank, period. You understand? Master this shit, boy. You got something up your ass.
I took partials on gold.
Partials on gold. Nigga,
Yeah, I'm waiting for the
already know.
pullback to buy that bitch again.
Bro, I ain't fucking with that bitch too that bitch too sideways for me.
That's why I took profit. I'm gonna just wait for that pullback into one of them gaps right there. Cause I know she gonna come down to like 40, 44. Cause that's where my entries was. She gonna come back down there to fill that gap and then probably shoot right back up.
I ain't touching it. This is the right. I'll see what happens when she gets down. I'm not buying that. I'm not just gonna press buy though. I gotta see a confirmation. This range it's too choppy. And although this shit should break and keep going, but goddamn, yeah, nah. I don't like how long she sat here, especially after Trump just talked and the shit ain't do nothing. I don't like that.
I looked on my that's why I say I looked on my futures chart and we had a big ass gap below us.
There's a gap right here. This is
Yeah.
fair value. I'm paying attention to right here. But I'm once again, I ain't
I closed gold. I'm waiting for that pullback.
all the charts nasty right here. Ain't nothing to talk about for real.
I'm up 250, bitch.
How much money y'all made today? I know y'all made some money. I called 2 banger signals for y'all niggas today. How much money y'all made today? Chat. Let me know if you made any money at all. Did you make some chicken today?
I ain't gonna lie, I'm up off Nas today.
Good money. How much shit? It ain't got to be my signals. How much money y'all made today? Period.
Yeah, look, 400.
Look, 400.
Look, 400.
Yeah, I just got down closed one of my 300 trades. I'm still floating up 300, 400.
300. About $600 a day. Come here. Nothing too crazy. 175, 500, $3. You see, I don't care. Y'all be acting like $3 ain't $3, nigga. I don't give a fuck. 162 on gang in options at that. Who made money in options? Who trade options? Stephanie, man. Oh God. Introduce yourself.
Do y'all know how to add a stop loss on a trade debate?
Don't ask me.
He said,
I'm trying to figure this shit out.
Hey, I am too. I understand trading view. I don't understand this trade debate stuff.
Hey, you gotta ask.
I haven't even got on Trade Debate yet, so.
Oh no, I'll be on the trading view shit. You can definitely put a stop loss on.
Yeah, that'd be easy, bro. Like normally, once you,
I be setting my shit to like 30 ticks and just pop the trade.
No, I'm saying, how do you set it on it? Because it's on. You got an Apex account, but it's on Trade Debate, and I want it on Trading View.
It should, if it don't let you log in through the.
Look it
Have
up.
you tried to log in through Tradeovate on the Trading View browser?
Look it up.
Yeah.
That's bad.
Oh, no, quit acting like we don't got a YouTube radio shit.
Nah, you right.
So be a little self-sufficient. You know what I mean? Go on that YouTube, see what the fuck popping. Don't none of us know shit. Oh God, none of us know. If we would have known, we would have told you. Hey, y'all fucking with Trend Top 5?
Yeah, that corporate thugging and get to that bag. Get a bag.
That's the one.
Hey, I'm fucking with that first motherfucking song.
Which one?
Get a bag.
Put that belt that XAU and flood my mouth with gold.
All up with gold. Oh God, that's the one.
Oh God, bars.
Yeah, man, that bitch going crazy, man. That bitch going crazy. Everybody fucking with that shit, man. That's good love. We finna shoot a music video. I need all my CS baddies, all my women on this bitch to come out. We finna shoot a big ass music video to goddamn she ain't coming back no more. No game. KJ just called me. He was like, bro, we're gonna go to Miami. We're gonna do a car wash. I said, oh shit, we're gonna do a white t-shirt concert out there. I said, oh no. I said, oh no. Oh, she said we're gonna get all the foreigns out. I said, oh my God. I mean, we finna goddamn Mo Pippin is too tough too. Yeah, bro, and that's the one they couldn't make the goddamn album. It's a lot of songs they couldn't make the album due to legal issues. That's why that bitch is an EP instead of a full album. But shit, Y'all gonna get the rest of the song sooner or later. Okay. Shit. Y'all got any questions for me? Let me know. If not, nigga, I'm finna goddamn finish my little blunt, watch these charts for a little bit, nigga, and see what the fuck happened. I'm the only reason why I'm still on here is because I'm seeing if gold is gonna give a pullback sometime soon. So I'm gonna get this bitch a look. I'm gonna get this bitch another like 10-15 minutes. Goddamn, if she don't show me nothing, then I'm gonna just set my alert and I'm gonna let y'all get the fuck on. Now, if y'all got any questions, goddamn, by all means, ask away. If not, then we finna rock out. We finna just vibe for a little bit, man. Let me see what gold on. Rock that motherfucking 5 real quick.
I might buy again and just put a stop loss for 39.74.
I'm not buying now. I'm not buying right here. Yeah, it's retail money. You bought with retail. That bitch can blast off all I care. I don't give a fuck. I gotta get that bitch.
Hell yeah.
Baseball, nigga. It's a pitch. I need Price to come to me, nigga. Right there. I'm gonna knock that bitch out the park. I don't swing at anything.
What you talking about to that gap?
Yeah. I need that bitch to come there before I even think about buying. Can't do it. It's too solid.
Heard.
To make think that she's gonna consolidate like she's doing now, manipulate, distribute. You know what I mean? I'm not trying to get in right now. I can literally see the liquidity forming. That's why we consolidate. I can see it. And notice how we took out this goddamn high over here and we ain't taking out the goddamn highs, but yeah, we leaving equal lows like it's nothing. You know what I'm saying?
I'm put my shit at 39.70.
She gonna go down there and run those low. Yo, what's up? What's up?
Got 2 alerts set already.
For what?
For gold.
What?
Got 50%.
He on the phone. I don't think he's talking to me.
Oh shit.
Heard.
Oh shit. It's like when? On the 7th? What? And so in 2 days? Hey, you gonna be there a day earlier, bitch? Which card? What y'all bringing? Type shit. Say the fuck less, nigga. I'll be there. I bet. Boy, listen, boy. Boy, listen, boy. I'm not even gonna tell y'all the phone call I just got, nigga. Just know I'm about to be in Atlanta in 2 days for one of the biggest shits y'all ever seen me do in my motherfucking life, nigga. Just know. Just know Slays is on top like a motherfucker, nigga. That's all I got to say. So when y'all see what we just got them secure, nigga, that bitch called me and said, bitch, be in Atlanta. It's not up for debate. I said, what the fuck you mean? Y'all hear me like, what the fuck why? Nigga told me why. All right, I'll be there. I'll be there. No questions asked. I will be there.
That's
Word
how
on
that
game. What did you talk about, nigga? I'm on the way. Oh my God, we changing the world with this trading shit. Y'all have no idea, nigga. Ooh, we just secured a bag. Ooh, not even a bag. It's not even a bag, but an opportunity. Ooh, bitch. Ooh, I'm not telling y'all. I'm not telling y'all. I'm only telling y'all if KJ exposed it, but I'm not telling y'all nothing.
Hey man, get to it.
It like when I was like, why the fuck is it not up for debate, nigga? Now I know. Yeah, bitch, I'm on the way. I gotta make some adjustments too. Oh, gang. Damn. I gotta drive to Atlanta, boy. I'm bringing the Beamer. All right, if y'all got any questions, ask away. If not, watch gold for a few more minutes. Get the fuck out of here. Let's do it. Come on.
It's that trader talk. Too much money coming. I ain't trying to hear that capping though. If you getting money, then show it, nigga. Come on. Ayy, soon as I wake up in the morning, nigga, I get in that mode. I ain't been up in my city lately. I've been on that road. I've been popping too much trades. Learn to hold, never fold. A lot of niggas talk that shit about my past, but that shit old. Put that gun on XAU and fill my mouth all up with gold. In the club, my diamonds dance. I'm throwing one, she on the pole. Printing money out, then now I'm feeling like I cracked the code. Feeling like I cracked the cold. I'm investing in myself. For these riches, I want wealth. A lot of niggas turned they back on me. I'm glad the niggas left. Putting working on them charts. I earn my stripes just like a ref. I'ma pull a nigga car for any nigga think they tough. Man, I'm tired of all these niggas capping. I done had enough. Throwing ass, but you can't get no dick. You ain't bad enough. Every day my pockets filled with blues. You ain't sad enough. I done put my name up on the map. Time to wrap it up. Everybody wanna ride. Niggas trying to gas me up. Remember bitches did me dirty. No, they mad, they passed me up. I can't fuck around with these niggas. Niggas cap like Captain Crunch. Ride around with big ass chopper. Shit look like it's pack a punch. How I fix these bitches in the two-door coupe, they lapping up. Every day I'm laughing to the bank, you catch me cracking up. City whack as fuck, always taking trips, I'm packing up. Let my money take more than a day, I'm coming to clap it up. Let's go booming, coming hot. Bitch, I'm everything you not. Bitch, I want another cop, so I'm finna up the lot. Wonder how a nigga cop, everything soon as it drop. They was wanting me to stop, so I had to make it pop. Looking like a nigga box, but my pockets filled with knots. They was trading, but they flop. Now them niggas kicking rocks. I don't wear designer a lot. These Balenciaga socks. She can tell by how I talk, how I walk. I'm a boss, nigga. I'm just trying to get a bag.
Oh shit, nigga.
I'm just trying to get a bag. I'm just trying to get a bag. Wear some shit I never had. Wear some shit I never had. Fuck some shit I never had. I'm just trying to get a bag. Okay, let's go. Let's go. I'm just trying to get a bag. I'm just trying to get a bag. Let's go. I'm just trying to get a bag.
Nah, you flying on that motherfucker. I love that.
That motherfucker said, bitch, I want another car, so I'm finna up the lot. No rap.
We drop that on Apple Music or so.
Yeah, bro, the Trader music go crazy. The Trader music goes insane. Word up. The whole album goes stupid, nigga. The whole album goes stupid.
Niggas want these goddamn riches.
This is the best song on the album to me. Right here.
Crazy as hell.
Niggas said bump that Mo Pippin.
Better get up off your motherfucking ass, nigga. Let's go booming in this bitch, nigga. Come on. You got one with this one, Melody? Walk with me, hold my hand. Never fold up on my brothers, that's my man, 100 grand. On the beach, feet on the sand, I came from sitting in that jam. Working hard, trying to expand, nigga, I made my name a brand. I done been through hell and back, but here I am, and still I stand. Think I'm going like these other niggas do, boy, I be damned. Ain't about bread, the niggas scram. Don't nobody lift a finger, I send money to my fam. You can catch me out the way, I'm MIA up in the yams. Blessed with a golden heart, any nigga around me drowning, I pop out with Noah's Ark. Bitch, I work hard for the seat, and I ain't moving Rosa Parks. We a team, so everybody play their role and know they part. Man, these words move mountains. I done changed so many lives up in this bitch, but who's counting? I ain't talking shoes, my bank account just got a new balance. Put water around my neck, it's like my chain got 2 gallons. Never fold under pressure, bitch, I love a new challenge. This shit bigger than expected. Once you meet the right people, you'll be plugged and connected. Put it in their face, they ain't gon' have no choice but to respect it. Now my braces to replace the cuffs, the times I got arrested. Selected to be great, like I'm the one that got elected. Pillow talking gets neglected. If you said it, then direct it. If I said it, then I meant it. Any problems, I prevent it. Need that paper, I'ma send it. Bitch, my name, I represent it. Playing games, and I'ma end it. I don't play around with niggas, I lay law down like the Senate. If it ain't about no paper, my name been and I ain't in it. Different flavors, fuck around and blend it. Higher than a pigeon. All I know is I'm a walking God. I don't do religion, I'm a boss. I can go anywhere I want like Miss Frizzle. Treat these bird bitches like a classroom and dismiss them, huh? Playing with my money, you get hit with 6 missiles. I can take my thoughts and turn it into life. This shit simple. Niggas wannabes, I think that I'm who they wanna be. I ain't chasing nothing, that's gonna be a magnet. Come to me. I done fucked around and planted seeds and grew a money tree. Bitch, I'm in here losing balance. All this ass in front of me. I don't pay them no attention. Niggas sweet like honeybees. All this shit be off the muscle. Bitch, this ain't no Lucky Street. Nothing small about me. Everything be big like double D's. Niggas hate I'm ballin'. Now they tryna send a double team. Lot of shit be on my plate and sometimes it troubles me. I'm confused on how the fuck these niggas broke. It puzzles me. Niggas staying at the double tree. That ain't my cup of tea. Shorty knowing if she fuck with me, her ass be stuck with me. This shit all facts. Stay on niggas' head like a ball cap. On the road to riches, you gon' get a couple drawbacks. Catch me in the markets taking inches off of small gaps. Money never sleeps, I gotta eat, so I take small naps. Too much motion, it's a motion picture. Too much motion, I got motion sickness. I can't slack, gotta keep focused with it. I don't see a day that I'll be over with it. When it's said and done, they gon' say a nigga overdid it. Never over budget. Life too short, bitch, I ain't holding grudges. Anything we been through, we can overcome it. Rich, I'm buying, selling, bitch, I'm feeling like I'm Warren Buffett. Went from trap to trade, and now I got my brother's corporate thugging. Nigga.
Gold ain't talking about shit. I ain't gonna lie. What the fuck wrong with my goddamn phone? Hey, these shits ain't talking about nothing. Yeah, everything sideways, and ain't nothing popping off for real. Niggas want to hear this last song. We're gonna hear this last song. If I don't hear nothing about that, like y'all go ahead and slide. Ain't nothing really going on in this bitch. Where that song? Where Mo Pippin at? Mo Pippin. Niggas want to hear. I'm back on my shit. Bet you knew that already. I had another song that dropped too, but goddamn, they took it off of YouTube. You know, so it was another song just like this that couldn't get on TT5, but they took it off of YouTube. Like it's that bad. It's that bad. Nigga, they don't want to see us win this bitch.
Come on. It's that trader talk. I'm back on my shit, but you knew that already. Bitch, I've been popping my shit for the year when we talking about trading. I prove that already. Niggas be crashing out over these bitches, but don't even know I done screwed that already. Woke up at 8 and my pockets was empty, and nigga by 10 they was too fat already. Know that I came a long way from them trenches, but niggas don't make it. This shit can get deadly. Put down that lid, nigga, look where it led. But now everybody in this bitch gon' respect me. Shorty want kick it with me like I'm messy, but it's just messy. She tryna test me. Niggas ain't stupid, they recognize real by the way that I dress me, know how to address me. Know it get hard when you look for support, but everybody will give you resistance. But it's okay, niggas know I ain't tripping, cause when I break out, bitch, I'm keeping my distance. Notice how all of them follow the trend. They wonder why they can't keep it consistent. They wonder why they become a statistic. She really bullish with me, that's the difference. I was in Pizza Hut washing the dishes. Had a little trick on my seat like magicians. I got a shorty all up in my britches. I made a play right on 4th and inches. Do it again and again, repetition. Bitch, I be ballin' just like exhibition. Up in the trade and I got 10 positions. No, I'm a hustler just by definition, nigga. In the mansion, this shit came with glass doors.
Right, you get my text about next Tuesday.
Course, I got 200 right on the dashboard. It's a lot on my plate, but I asked for it. Niggas paying for pussy, they escorts. Bitch, I came from the streets like the asphalt. Hold on, pull up business and Teslas and track house. I got ice on my neck like I'm Jack Frost. Roll the Zion, this bitch finna blast off. Niggas broken, they can't take their cast off. If they can't see the plane, cut your mans off. Diamonds on me, they having a dance off. Got them kissing my ass, niggas fanned out. Hold on, ever since I got power, I move like a ghost. Just made a 20, let's make us a toast. You know Big S gon' be doing the most. And if it walk like a goat and I talk like a goat, then it must be a motherfucking goat. Couple of my brothers was drowning that water, but I built a boat just to keep us afloat. All of this shit be ambition and drive. If you don't got no drive, get your license revoked. I ain't a killer, but please do not push me. You play with my money and might get your smoke. Most of these niggas be hard behind phones, but I don't got no time for the typing and post. Back on my bullshit like Mike in the folk. Call me your highness when I'm on the throne, nigga.
Word. All right. Shit ain't talking about shit for real. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna set a couple alerts on where I want price to goddamn year two. If y'all want to kick it for a little bit longer, we can, but I don't got ain't shit going on. Ain't shit going on. You feel what I'm saying? This motherfucker moving nice and slow. So yeah, we need pullbacks for pretty much everything, bro. Nas need to pull back at least inside of this fair value gap right here, which is the balanced price range. So I'm gonna set my alert here inside this BPR. All right, this is where I would like to start looking for the next buys from. All right. We already talked about gold and we want to see that bitch pull back too. So I'm gonna go ahead and set an alert for that area as well. That little 1 minute fair value gap below price here. All right, see if we can catch another buy, make some more money on that. All right, and then shit. We already talked about GJ. GJ, we're holding buys. If you didn't catch that motherfucking buy from down here, I'm still in that buy. And I'm holding that bitch to see if we can break on top of these gaps. But for those that aren't in the buy, we're definitely gonna need a pullback. The pullback is probably gonna come from probably this fair value gap right here. If not this one, then that one. It's definitely going to come from one of these two gaps. I would expect for it to come from this one. So look for price to fill this and then give a little small pullback before the next buy. And as far as where we can look for the buy from, Mr. Daily CRT. Yeah, that bitch looking good. Yes, let's find model 1 real quick. 15. We already done tapped off of model 1 too. We'll probably come a little bit deeper inside of it, like come and run. I can guarantee you that y'all take a screenshot of this and watch this play out exactly how I say it's gonna play out, nigga. Y'all see what price is at now? This is Model 1 candle right here. All right, you see how price tapped. All right, created relatively equal lows. All right, we got to dig a little bit deeper inside this candle, especially considering the fact it's an inversion. All right, it's also an inversion, which means that you can expect for price to hit these FVG right here, wherever the fuck she's at. You know what I mean? Create a high somewhere up in here, flash all the way down. Why? Come smack all these goddamn lows, dig deeper inside Model 1, get damn near at 50%. Matter of fact, I see that little bitch ass fair value gap that's right there. You know what I'm saying? Run those lows, start the new buy. And that's what tomorrow's daily candle fuck run looks like. Because you gotta think about daily CRT, bro. We gotta come back and just watch. And when this bitch when we will come back to this motherfucker tomorrow or Friday when she's done playing out, and we'll see how she reacts. But y'all take a screenshot of this right here. I'm gonna take a screenshot of this shit. You know what I'm saying? I can see the shit playing out just like this, bro. She come down here, dig inside Model 1. I feel like she got them created these lows for a goddamn reason. She left these bitches low equal for a reason. And I was looking for these lows to get ran last night when I called the buy. I just knew that we was gonna see just a little baby bit of drawdown below our entry, just so you could flash that bitch and then go. And she never did it. So she left this liquidity on the table for a reason. I think that flash down here turns to it coming right back up. Called the second leg, yeah. Second leg. This is the first leg down here. From this move up, first leg. Second leg from here up, second leg. So yeah, that's what I see happening on GJ. So I'm gonna go ahead and got them set. I got them alert right below the lows. Come down there and smack them bitches. I'm looking for buys all over again. Same parameters too. Same exact parameters, literally. I'm gonna tell y'all to buy that bitch again. And I'm gonna say SL and TP the same as before. It's gonna be the exact same setup. Take that bitch again. All right. So that's the play. We just got to be a little patient on that. Wait for price to get down there. And that's all I got. That's all I got. That's all I'm really looking for. Gold, GJ, Nas. That's what I'm on. All right. Y'all got any questions for me?
Can you look at NJ?
If all the other pairs go bullish, this bitch gonna go bullish too. This bitch in the big ass range though, and I don't like that shit. It's a month. Just started a new month. Let's see. We should go bullish this month too, because we closed on top of last month's high. We got a daily CRT from right here, so we already know this bitch gonna buy up today and tomorrow. I mean, she gonna create a fair value gap right here. Because I already know that today's candle ain't gonna buy all the way up here. It's gonna stop short a little bit. It's gonna create a daily fair value gap, and then tomorrow she'll go and fill it. Same thing as GJ. As far as like this market structure down here, is these lows clean? She pierced this low and then broke structure. All right, so this right here is that these are. Let me see. Make sure I ain't tripping. Yeah, it's a pierce. All right, so we got run on stops. Boom, run on stops, taking out that low. Record structure bullish. She didn't respect that for real. Let's see. Let me see the board. That's why. There's always a reason. We just got to find that bitch. Let me delete all this shit real quick so we can all be on the same page. I got too many lines up. All right. Boom. Run on stops, taking out that low. Record structure bullish. Inversion FEG fill. It was supposed to happen just like how it did. Expect for it to go bullish. I expect for price to fill in all these gaps right here on some easy type time. We can easily catch buys to get up in there and then base your whole. I think she's going to break out bullish. I think that this pullback in the first week of the month is exactly what JPY pairs needed to continue going bullish. However, base your whole analysis on what she does when she gets to this gap uphill. She break that bitch. You already know what time it is. All right, that bitch flying. All right. But it's definitely, even though it's a sick, ugly ass range, look at what happens every single time this bitch flashes down since she got here. Here's your first flash. That bitch bought up, came down to go take out that low, bought up again. So all the way up to go got to take out that low and then bought up again. Every single time this bitch sells off, it's just a liquidity run within this range to turn that bitch back around. You dig what I'm saying? So if you try to look at look in between the lines through this consolidation range. It's called goddamn what I always say, use the market context clues, nigga. Be able to read through this shit to kind of try to see what the fuck gonna happen. Yeah, run on stops, break a structure, find the gap. There's the gap right there, and that's the play. So once again,
so when we focus on gaps and like for potential entries for the week, do we focus on the most recent gaps, or can we still add those historical gaps in?
Depends on how much it adds up. You got right for you gap, I can lose this gap in confluence with like this one over here, maybe. You see what I'm saying? But it just depends on how everything adds up. You don't want to be stacking up too many gaps to the point where you over confuse yourself.
That's the problem I have right now.
Go with the most recent ones, goddamn. If you can see an obvious gap that stacks with it, all right, then mark that shit up. You know what I'm saying? But don't try your hardest to goddamn put a goddamn gap somewhere where it's not. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
That's the right the fuck there. That's the gap right there. Without me knowing about BPRs alone, I know that price got to get right the fuck there. You know what I'm saying? So that's all we really got to know for real. Price has to get here. We're gonna base everything else from what she does from now.
All right.
Okay, that makes sense, everybody.
I appreciate that.
That's one. 1-1 is crazy. 1-1 is crazy. That might be my goddamn. That might be my sign. Cut it. That might be my sign. 1-1 on that long ass lesson. That might be my sign to cut it. Word on game. Cut it. All right, we out of here. Good money for that day. We smacked GJ. We smacked Nas. It's been ugly, y'all. Word on gang. It has been ugly, bro. Like, I don't know how good y'all personal trading has been. But, nigga, besides today, nigga, I done got hit. I got hit Monday. I didn't trade yesterday for real. Besides the goddamn trades that I called. Monday, I got hit.
I got hit yesterday because I held a trade too long on futures.
Yeah, I'll be getting hit. I've been getting hit. You know what I mean? November has been kind of ugly for me. You know what I'm saying? Since the month started.
Facts. But we dying down at the end of the year game.
Yeah, I'm already knowing. Now I'm probably gonna let them trade for I'm gonna see what price action looking like towards the middle of the month, getting towards the end, but I probably ain't even gonna trade December.
I'm really holding myself to not trading past December like 19th.
I need to use that shit to goddamn study, bro. I need to use this time to study, bro. Price action is slowing the fuck down. Getting back to that cool man. Come get this motherfucking course, nigga. Oh God, get the motherfucking course. Study this shit away. You know what I mean? Because price action is definitely starting to get wacky. You know what I mean? I'm happy to get them little wins. I call bitch. This shit getting ugly. You know what I mean?
Yeah, that's why I closed my little 250.
Man, the closer we get to the end of the year, the less trades I want to call. Which means that if you're somebody that depends on my signals, depends on KJ signals, we telling you right the fuck now, nigga, ain't finna be too much more of that.
Them gold alerts finna get hit soon. Them gold alerts finna get hit soon. That bitch coming down.
Back up. Y'all know what it is. I'll call the signal.
What's up, G?
But I am looking for a buy down there. So we'll see what's up. And you see how she left them equal highs? Perfect.
I'm looking for them buys, I ain't gonna lie.
You want price to do shit like that. Easy target right back up. I might enter that on my futures account.
I'm hitting that bitch on my futures and on my live.
All right, that's the play. I got any more questions for me? Y'all good?
Shit, I'm good.
Good work. Good work. All right. Good money for the day, y'all. All right, 2-0 on the day. I think we're like 2 and I don't even know how many. Let me pick out, see which one. 2-1, 2-2 on the week. Let's see how the rest of the week. All right. Lady guys, as always, start studying. Come get this motherfucking course. Come get this mentorship. Invest and get this shit.
Hey, DB.
All right. Love you guys. See y'all tomorrow.